Bodega Boys.
This is just incredible. The idea that one of our tigers has contracted corona is just insane. It's never happened ever before in the Western Hemisphere. We took special precautions to make sure none of our animals would come in contact with a respiratory illness. Who came in contact with the tiger? Who around here is sick and came in contact with the tiger?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, Ron and I, we've been self-quarantining. We've been really careful.
Right.
Yeah,
I see you in protective gear all the time.
Yeah.
You've never broken sterile field. I see you washing your hands.
Yeah.
You know? Well, everyone here is a trained professional at the highest level of the zoological society.
Yeah.
Who could possibly have infected the lion? I mean,
I don't
tiger.
know.
Oh, I'm losing my mind.
I don't know. There's this. They got this new guy. It's like some kind of rehab center release.
Where is he? This guy over here?
Yeah, that's him.
Hey,
yes, he's a.
hey.
I don't know his name. He's from Staten Island.
Hey, you, come over here. Hey, cover your mouth.
What's up? I sneezed into my elbow. I fucking coughed from my elbow, bro. What do you want? What's up?
Who are you? What are you
mean
doing here? Why is your lab coat dirty?
Because I put in work, bro. Because I'm out here, I'm working. What are you doing? Your outfit looks a little clean to me. You're asking me a lot of questions.
I'm the head doctor here at the zoo. What is your lapel says? Dr. Michael Anthony?
Yeah, Dr. Michael Anthony. That's right. Dr. Michael Anthony. That's right.
What kind of doctor are you?
It actually stands for Dominican Republic because my good friend Julio is from there, and I like to represent the hot bag industry.
Did you get this tiger sick?
Listen. Did I get the tiger sick or did the tiger get me sick? I told the tiger I needed a fucking hot bag, and all he did was fucking bite me in the foot. So I had to stick him in the fucking right between the eyes with my works. All right? What? So if the guy got sick, the guy got sick. Who gives a shit, all right? It's a fucking tiger. Who cares? I got like 20 in my backyard right now. I've been taking them from the zoo little by little.
What?
Yeah, that's
sweating?
right. Michael Anthony Prosciutto, a.k.a. Tony Exotic. All right? Yeah, Animal Sanctuary on Victory Boulevard. Yeah, that's right.
Sir, why are you sweating so profusely? What's your temperature?
It's high, you know what I mean? Because my guts hurt. But you know what? I'm a worker, so I show up to work. I do my thing.
You know what? You stay right there. Medics, someone come get this man.
It's actually my lunch. I'm going on lunch, actually.
Don't let him get out of here.
I'll see you later. Bye.
Gary, stop him.
Fucking suckers. Follow me on Instagram. You can take a picture with a baby tiger, you piece of shit. Fucking bitches. Episode 197, you fucking pieces of garbage. Catch me on Victory Boulevard, you pieces of pee-pee.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, live in the pandemic is the Bodega Boys coming to you from our respective homes, overdoing it with a podcast for you lucky Hive members.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we got to bring to you. We got to bring to you entertainment in these trying times.
It's episode 197 of the most illustrious and quarantine podcast in the universe. We're still doing them. We're still giving it to you, still feeding you. Still sponsored by Cash App. Shout out to Milk Studios, which is empty, I guess. No, we're not there. Yeah. Shit, all of New York is empty now, right?
Yes. It looks like the Division. On a callback moment, it looks like the Division out there. It is very scary. I'm very frightened. I call my sister every day. I used to call my sister like twice a week, you know what I'm saying? Just to roast each other. And I'm calling her every day like, yo, you okay? Like an episode, like a shitty fucking drama. Primetime drama, like, I'm so...
Some Lifetime shit?
Just crying off. She's like, shut up, nigga, I'm fine. Damn. It's just me in the lab. I'm by myself. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, if you guys want to start a podcast, you guys could break into Milk Studios. No one will stop you. There's mad equipment in there. Yeah, I'm saying, how bad do you want to be successful? What's stopping you? What's stopping you from taking your life? Are you liking your life right now? Huh? You like sitting at home? You got the time? You too can start an illegal podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
Did, and I kept my kids. That's right. We are working with University of Phoenix. We're doing an online podcast course. It's going to be taught through Zoom.
We teach you everything. Professor Hasan teaches you engineering.
Mero's gonna teach the class in Zoom, and then 10 minutes in, I come in and I write nigger all over the screen, and I send you beaver porn. It's a lot.
Shout out to all the brave teachers out there. Yo, shout out to all the brave teachers out there trying to teach classes on Zoom. I see some shit, bruh, where homie really pulled up to the Zoom smoking a blunt and playing music, and the teacher was just wild frustrated, like, whoever's playing music, he didn't know what the fuck to do with Zoom. My man was like a smooth 70 years old, like, whoever's doing that, turn that off right now. I'm gonna mark you absent.
No, they just dumped the teachers in, and they didn't they didn't like tell teachers how to use it. But also the idea of having a teacher run a Zoom class is crazy. You got 27 kids, all types of shit going on. And then some of the kids, I guess they got other kids in the house that also got to use the computer. Then you got like parents in the background yelling. You got people playing music. You got people doing a renegade dance. People talking to each other in the classes.
Yeah, hi, and a cousin and shit. God damn it.
So damn, kids don't get a graduation. It's not gonna be. People were saying the NBA is trying to do a horse contest now. Like,
nah, just give up. Just give up.
Have you been watching the NBA 2K video games on ESPN?
I can't. I can't.
You know what? I was gonna do it, but then I was like, hold up. I'm watching some nigga play video games. What am I, a high school girlfriend? Get the fuck out of here, dog.
It's like, you're literally a 5-year-old watching an unboxing video, dog. That's exactly what's happening. And then, like, it's crazy.
KD was doing good, and then he lost, and niggas was like, yo, I thought, like, I'm disappointed. I'm like, just because you're good at basketball doesn't mean you're going to be good at playing 2K.
Playing, like, fucking with a fucking joystick. Like, yo, my man, that's a whole different set of muscles, my G. Like, what are you doing?
Like, the worst people, the best players of 2K are generally obese.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? They do what...
The best 2K players are, like, washed high school prospects. Because they're yo, they know how to, like, run plays and shit. And, like, 2K, they run plays.
Unemployed niggas.
Unemployed niggas. They're like, yo, set a screen. Yo, that was a weak pick, bro. That was a weak... I'm like, fam, this is we're playing a game.
Yeah.
Like, there's no win-loss record right now.
If when you're playing 2K, you start using moves that are on, like, in the back of, like, the fucking control screen, like, or you're gonna get washed if you about to play 2K. It's the first thing the person does is change the buttons. I'm like, damn, fam.
You're like, my man, fam, you down 15, you intentionally fouling me with 5 seconds left? This is a video game, nigga. It's not game 7 of the finals. Like, what are you doing?
Nigga sitting up straight, like, yeah. Nah, man.
Yo, that's when they're going through it, when they're standing up right 5 inches away from the monitor. Like, yo, nah.
But yeah, and they can't there's not going to be, baseball is probably not coming back.
Yeah, nah.
They said school might not come back till next year. So
everything is a dub until next year.
Everything is a dub. Not this podcast, but everything else.
Yeah. So you can rely on us. You know what I'm saying? But not fucking the motherfucking trains might shut down soon.
Yeah, I mean,
it's just gonna be really real. That's what it's gonna. If they shut down the MTA, that shit is gonna hit the Fiznan in New York.
Well, I mean, right now, they don't need to shut down the MTA. They just need to limit it to just essential workers. But that means people need to stop bullshit about who's essential workers. Like, Home Goods is making people come to work. Like, nigga,
fam.
Nigga, who needs a decorative candle right now?
Fam, unless you putting a defibrillator on a motherfucker, putting a fire out, you know what I'm saying? Feeding somebody. I can't think of too many other things, but those are the top 3 in my mind. Like, I don't think that you're crazy essential, my guy.
Foot Locker employees, though, those are essential.
I stepped on my laces, yo.
Yo, what if I want to do a lace swap? Like, what am I supposed to do? How am I protect my drip in the quarantine? Come on, bro.
I spent Hawaiian punch on my ups, yo. I need new laces ASAP.
I'll run in with the mask. I'm like, yo, I need half socks. What's good?
Yo. And that's where the bodega comes in. The bodega always got white laces for your uptowns.
Shit, my bodega closed. That nigga wrote a letter. He was like, closed temporarily for the coronavirus. I was like, nigga, we was just shooting in here for CVS. How you gonna close? Damn. And I had to go to a different bodega, and I had to do that whole song and dance about if you're a cop. I'm like, nigga, no one's arrested you for selling loose wraps. All right, the world is ending. Just sell me them shits.
God damn it.
Then he's looking at me, and he's like, I've never seen you before. I'm like, I have a mask on. Just sell me the shits, nigga.
Do I look like a fucking cop? I think they got bigger things to worry about than fucking loose fucking paraphernalia.
And then I walked in, and I'm like, I stood 6 feet away from the nigga at the counter, and somebody else walked in and tried to go, and I'm like, yo, I'm next. And he was like, yo, why you standing back there? And I'm like, social distancing, nigga.
Why you touching niggas with your hands?
You gotta clap your hands. You tell someone about social, you gotta be in social distancing. Do you understand? 6 feet, nigga.
Come on, son.
You gotta say it in, I think the problem is people don't know how much 6 feet is, so you have to do it in terms of measurement the average New Yorker could understand. So it'd be like,
yo, back the fuck up feet, nigga.
I think, let me see. What's thick?
Yo, back up like 2 Black China asses.
There you go.
At least.
2 cheeks.
2 cheeks at least.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
Yo, stay 2 cheeks back. We're gonna put signs all over New York. Yo, you two could stop the spread of coronavirus. Stand 2 cheeks back.
Yo,
all right?
Yo, Sucio Boy, confession. I'm such a Sucio Boy that I recognize that is Jada Stevens' Instagram name. 2 cheeks back.
2 cheeks back?
Yes.
Hey.
Yo.
Shout out to...
Sucio Boy.
To this day.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, you can't, just because the world is ending doesn't, all right, so it was like, could I be more positive on the podcast? So just because we're in pandemic times doesn't mean the Sucio's ever going to stop, baby.
No,
the Sucio can't stop.
With a band of the Titanic, except the Titanic rights itself somehow, and Leonardo DiCaprio ends up getting double toppy. It's a happy ending.
I guess instead of being the band on the Titanic, we would be like, I guess we would just be doing like a live show. And everybody be like, yo, get off the stage. You're like, nah, we're going down with the ship.
No, we good.
Who wants to see the AKAs? Someday you will find me.
Mike starts shorting out and shit. Mad sparks flying.
The boat is going horizontal. There's people flying down on us, hitting us on the stage and shit.
Yo, I'm like, y'all catch you, psych. Fuck out of here, nigga. I ain't trying to get. I got a bad back.
CB and Adam are trying to get us off the stage. They're flashing flashlights like, you've gone over your time.
Oh.
Girl, if you don't get off this boat right now.
Everyone's evacuated. We're like, nah, we're going to smoke a blunt first and then we're going in the green room to eat. So
make sure this shit don't stick before we get off.
All right? Who got a lighter? Where can we smoke at?
Niggas are like, yo, you see that floating door in the water? Y'all can smoke over there.
Over there, we kick Jack and that chick off the door so we can smoke on it. Like,
yo, get the fuck out of here, B. We got like this out.
Yo, nigga, we killed that show, my nigga. Yo,
word.
That shit felt good. Felt good to be on stage again, man.
Word.
That shit. We get these checks, yo. We're Victor.
Yo,
we're Victor. Oh shit.
Niggas not hypothermia. We mad sweaty. Like, yo,
Victor. We can't find Victor nowhere, and Victor just comes through in a wild jet ski. I'm like,
in a full wetsuit. Like, yo, in the Navy SEAL shit. He's like, yo, just hop on the back of this shit. He's like, yo, nigga throws a rope. Like, yo.
He was like, I was just being cautious. You know, just had one just in case.
Better safe than sorry. Grab the fucking rope.
Di and Victoria are on jet skis behind them. They're like, boss, you want lunch? I'm like, you know what? I am a little famished.
Bro, is it a flex? Yo, jet skis are the one thing where it's a flex to have like the multi-person joint.
Oh yeah.
the tandem jet ski.
The jet ski.
Hey, yo,
the jet ski Suburban.
Let's keep it on it. Victoria's just walking underwater until she hits the shore.
She's like, yeah, it's all right, boss. I have gills.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord Jehovah, please bless the listeners of this podcast and cover them in your blood and the blood of Jesus to keep the virus away from them. And if you donate money now, you will be blessed by Mero's kids singing to you. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Yeah, bro. Yo, are you drinking Bodega beers?
Yes,
you know what? You see what? Listen, I'm a man of the people. Also, because it's very hard to buy beer right now in the Bronx. It's very hard to buy anything. It's a little scary. But you know what? Listen, we've been,
you know what I'm saying?
You know what? I've been practicing for this. It's a little thing. It was a Sega Genesis game called Streets of Rage. So when I leave my apartment now, I carry a pipe or a plank. Just in case.
You gotta go out. You gotta go on rollerblades with your hat on backwards. Like, yo, just do wild.
Just jump on niggas, start pounding on their dome, like, yo, fuck out of here. Bah, 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 bah.
I hate when I'm like walking to the supermarket and then just like a shirtless guy bursts through a brick wall and I have to fight him.
No, it's
Like,
wild.
It's wild.
then he throws a pipe and it's just like a perfect spiral towards you and shit. It's wild.
I just see like the bald guy that's all muscular from Double Dragon coming at me. I'm like, oh shit. I was like, I don't even know the kick moves yet. I haven't been to board 3.
What's going on? The whole time Japanese house music is playing in the background.
Like, I'm like, oh shit. Yeah, shit's crazy.
Yeah.
It's so hard. You can't even get Japanese breadcrumbs right now. It's
Wild.
What is life?
The panko. Need that panko.
Panko.
I still got 2 pankos on deck.
I got 2 pankos on deck. Panko. Also, I would like to give a boo to Mike Francesa for his actions that he took this weekend. He told one of the number one Twitter accounts back after this, the Funhouse, the account that retweets the videos of his, his sermons, his pontifications, his speeches, and he said that he can no longer post his videos.
Wow.
Which makes absolutely no sense. He's mad because the video of him flaming Trump did something like 2.5 million views, and Francesa said the Twitter account stole those 2.5 million views from him, which is not how things work,
That's
Boomer.
but yeah, it's okay, Boomer.
Okay. So then shout out to back after this, he was like, you people should unfollow Mike Francesa on Twitter or some shit like that. And there was a hashtag unfollow Mike, and mad people unfollowed him. So they're like, I think at one point it was like 1,000 people unfollowed him. And now if you look, because now without the Funhouse, without that Twitter account posting Mike Francesa clips, we're not going to know what the fuck Mike Francesa says, because we're not. Who's turning to radio.com at 5
8
p.m.
hours
to hear a guy talk about not sports? Like, like
yo, he was really doing God's work, because he was combing through hours,
just sitting there. Just sit, and people was like, "Yo, like if you hate him, it's like no, it's just like
it's funny.
It's funny." And he wasn't flaming him; he was just literally presenting what he was saying.
Yo, like
he was not flaming him.
Yo,
So,
and he never like flames him. He's just like, yo, remember the time Mike said,
"Here's this." Yeah, he just said, "Listen, the tape exists." And now the Mike Francesa Twitter account, which we all know is not Mike Francesa, now it's finally responding to people. A little too late, Mike. Yeah. A little too late.
Come on,
Mike,
dog.
apologize to the Funhouse. You
got 24 hours to respond.
You know how many people, and I say this not to be gassed, but how many people only knew about Mike Francesa off of our podcast? And then once we started retweeting the video clips, they were like, holy shit, he's a real person. He's not a character for their podcast.
I thought y'all were making him up.
They was like, there's no way that guy could be real. Oh, he's real. All right.
Brought Mike to the hood.
Well, what Jay-Z did bringing Michael Jackson to Summer Jam is what we did to Mike Francesa.
We brought Mike Francesa to Summer Jam.
Yo. You was a ballerina. I seen you. Tell him, Mike. Everyone was like, yo.
You rock my world. You know you did. Well, yeah, whatever. Hovey, baby.
Yo, Hot 97. It's your boy Hove. I'm out here. I'm the GOAT, but I had to bring out another GOAT. Please your hands together for the Pope. It's your man, Mike Francesa.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm about to give him my rock chain.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate. I don't like a lot of jewelry. Thank you. You can keep that. It's very not of my culture. But anyway, I appreciate you, Jason. You were great on the Nets in '97. Amazing career. One of the best point guards I've ever seen in my life. What is this? What are we doing here? Is this a hip hop
partying, Mike? We partying
concert?
Mike, spit something a cappella.
Oh,
give him
okay.
the mic. Give him the Hey Poppy beat.
Oh, okay, all right. You want me to do a hip hop thing on this? Okay,
go, Mike.
All right.
Go,
okay.
Mike.
All right. Okay. All right. My name's Mike. I like to drive. All right. Okay. Can I start over? Do you guys start over when you do?
Okay. They say we gotta get off this. We gotta get on stage. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. Okay. Listen. My app is only $8.99 a month. It's totally
Mike,
worth it.
they said get the fuck off the stage, Mike, please.
All right.
Please.
Okay, listen, you can buy these same pants at DXL. I got them at a great price, $8.99. Amazing.
Memphis,
an
please
elastic
punch this nigga,
waistband.
please. I'm tired. I want to go to 40-40.
I got you, OG.
Yo. What DJ battles do the streets need? Because they just had T-Pain versus Little John. I think we need to... Should we do a Dominican versus Jamaican DJ battle? That'd be fun.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
That'd be lit, but we can't do that without playing the wild homophobic songs.
You have to. I mean, fucking. Well, my man played an R. Kelly song in his set last night. I mean, what do you want?
I'll be like, yo, I'm about to play a new track, but before I do,
I just want to say I stand.
I'd like to say I'm an ally, you know.
Instead of the air horn, you throw the problematic light. Big tune! Big tune!
Oh, shit. Yo, did you see P.O.'s hair?
Yo, he's wildin', and he thinks he's blind.
Yo, my man P.O. is out here with the just for me curls.
Yo, shut the WhatsApp. I don't know how this nigga got into DR. He must have left like before, like they stopped flying people out or something like that.
Yeah, he been down there, but the thing was he was just posting such generic places. It could have been DR, it could have been like Washington Heights.
You know what I'm
and
saying?
Then one day he was like, yo, I'm down here. So, and he doesn't make no attempt to put his captions in English anymore. He's like, nope.
Not at all.
He's like,
I'm just hearing the fucking like, I'm like, oh, that's a goat. Oh, this nigga's in DR for real. Oh yeah.
Oh man.
I knew he was in DR when he had the fucking dog on the chain on some straight island shit. Like,
yeah,
the wild
the
German
chain.
Shepherd mutt looking shit.
Shit. Oh man, we gotta do a GoFundMe for the tiger.
Yo, word.
Yo, Tony, get better.
Yo, get better, Tony. Yo, you know what I'm saying? You're great.
Tony, you're great to us.
You're great
He's
to
like,
us.
He's just coughing up blood on the cereal bowl.
He's like,
Tony, you all right?
I appreciate you niggas, man.
Tony. Oh shit. I think Tony got the Rona.
Yo, but it's wild because they eat. Don't they eat like meat? I'm bugging. I don't know. I'm not a zookeeper, zoologist, whatever. But I watched enough Tiger King. I just seen him feed him meat, but he's also feeding them expired meat from Walmart. So maybe that's not the standard.
I want to say the Bronx Zoo is not feeding animals expired meat from Walmart. I think they could do a little better.
Yeah.
I've never gone past the Bronx Zoo at 4 a.m. and someone's looking around real nervously while they're unloading the truck. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
They got a clothespin on their nose. Like, oh god, this shit stinks. Put it in the monkey house.
No, it's for composting. It's for we're composting.
Like, Jesus Christ, Western beef. This shit stinks. Now, shout out to Western beef because I went there this weekend for the groceries again, and after I got my groceries, I slipped the girl $20 as a tip. And she looked at me and she was like, you already paid. And I have the mask on and I don't want to talk because that's how you spread the germs or whatever. So I pointed at her and she was like, yo, thank you. Good looking. And then I looked at the person behind me and I was like, yo, you better pay it forward. And he looked at me like, nope, I don't tip cashiers. Sorry. So shout out to Shorty though. She got that 20. She earned it. Because the lady in front of me, she came to the register with mad items and she did the thing where you let it get to a total and then you start removing items. And you could do that when there's not a pandemic. If niggas is trying to get in and get out, you have to make your transactions as fast as possible. You can't be like, I believe in the flyer, it said these hot dogs was 2 for 1. And they're like, no, ma'am, it's the Western beef hot dogs. And they're like, well, please hold on. I'm going to walk back and I'm going to change them. And the person just start walking all slow. And you're like, oh, Jesus Christ.
You just hear them cough in the meat aisle like, oh, fuck.
And they come back and they like, I only saw one. I'm like, gee, I'm like, lady, I will buy the Franks for you. Like,
please.
Can we just get out of here? And then I turn into a white woman, and as I'm leaving, I say something snarky like, you shouldn't be feeding your kids Franks anyway. Bye.
You know how many nitrates are in that?
Oh, by the way, I was behind you in line and I saw like every product you bought has high fructose corn syrup, and so like that and vaccines are going to give your kids autism. Yeah! Yeah! Don't vaccinate your kids!
Yeah! Don't give your kids no shot!
Vaccine for what? Have your kids been vaccinated? They ain't never ever. Oh.
Yo. If the doctor don't come, we'll snuff off that nigga. If a doctor stop up, we'll snuff that nigga. Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, Little John just came out of there with the unnecessary, First of all, there's not even a corona. How you telling niggas not to take a vaccine that don't exist yet?
Listen, there was a couple unnecessary moments in that battle.
Also,
they play
shout out
some
to
fire. Don't get me wrong, they play some straight heat, but I think that as a community we have decided that R. Kelly is out of here. So,
but you know what? I mean, you have to look at the age range in the group and the people.
The facts.
Like you're expecting T-Pain and Little John to be like the intellectual scholars of the black community. They're just here to play. They make crunk music, and crunk ain't dead. Crunk ain't dead.
Yeah, I had crunk juice one time.
Crunk juice.
I was like, this is Red Bull. It tastes.
How come no one's battled Nelly yet? Nelly got hits.
Nelly got joints.
Nelly got joints.
What I'm saying? Come on, man.
How come no one's battled Tragedy Gaddafi yet?
Yo, word, hip hop.
Real hip hop.
Yo,
we're gonna do tragedy. We're gonna do Tragedy Gaddafi against Trigger the Gambler. Hip hop, real hip hop.
Yo, would this be the perfect time for Drake and Nelly to finally battle it out for supremacy?
Oh, see, the problem with that, it was the age difference. Because all the Drake fans are gonna be like, his shit smack. Because they
get this whack shit out of here.
Because Drake's fans have, they have like how we remember Hot in Here was banging in the club. They remember like Controller banging that same way. Then you got people like me, and I'm like, I was there for both of them, and they was like, "Ew, old man, get out, go home." I was like, "Yeah."
I was gonna say, yo, the people that go hard for Nelly, this might be our last real stand. You know what I mean? It's like, I know we got knee issues, I know we got lower back issues,
Listen,
we got lumbar issues.
You don't know nothing about shaking like a tail feather.
Yeah,
bro, Nelly, play that street sweeper shit. Bro, play something with City Spud. Come on, don't let him go down like that, bro.
Come on,
play that song with City Spud and Christina Milian.
Yeah,
bro.
Oh, he threw on. Oh shit, he threw on Bougetto. That's a haymaker.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is that batter up? Oh wow!
Oh my god! Murphy Lee with the verse of the week.
Wow! Holy, yo, Nelly, you got him right where you want him. Finish him with #1. Yeah, that'll show him.
Yo.
I am #1, no matter if you like it. Yeah.
Yo, if Nelly brings Tim McGraw through though,
shit,
it's over.
And then Nelly's
like, Francesco tune in, bro.
Nelly's like, and then Nelly's like, no matter what I do.
Kelly Rowland shows up.
What? Yo, niggas will start texting on Excel again.
Oh, don't come on. We don't even have to. He didn't even play Pimp Juice. Come on, bro.
Come on.
Man.
Over and over. Come on.
Yeah,
the hits right
Air Force Ones.
Oh, whoa, easy. Whoa. It's supposed to be an exhibition. Relax.
You're gonna overload Instagram.
He's gonna die on IG. There's no coming back from this. Someone cut his eye.
Yo. Oh shit.
Why don't they have an IG porn off? Like, it's like some porn stuff should be like, go scene for scene.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yo, does Boosie ever get any like grief? Does he get grief? Does he ever have like get any issues from IG? Because like women really like join his live and
show their church.
You know the thing is, it happens too fast for you to really do anything to like sanction it. So they just get on and get off. Like IG let people wild right now. They don't give a shit. As long as you're not doing child penal, you should be good.
Yeah, those motherfuckers eating doo-doo on that shit. They were wilding.
Yeah, and then like if you eat doo-doo on IG, like if you eat doo-doo today, what are you gonna do tomorrow? Like, pace yourself. It's gonna be a long quarantine, my guy.
Fam, you just set a wild precedent. Like tomorrow, you're gonna have to eat a fucking kitten or some shit. You fucking maniac. Yeah.
You gonna restart? Don't fuck with cats. Come on, you don't do that. Oh man. But I don't have to worry about Corona because I'm covered in the blood of Jesus.
The blood of Jesus.
The blood of Jesus.
The blood of Jesus.
Covered in the blood of Jesus. Yeah, Sushi Boys. Morbid Sushi Boys. Yeah, we gotta break into the Bronx Zoo, and we gotta put my hand on top of the tiger's head and pray out the corona from him because he's covered in the blood of Jesus. I rebuke you, Tony.
I'll blow you away.
Get this Rona out this tiger. It's great. Say it again. It's great. It's great.
I believe you. I believe you. Yes, I'm great.
Come on, tiger. Can I get a grrr? Come on, tiger.
That's when the blessings come
That's
in.
right. Now look at this healthy tiger. Look at this healthy tiger. I brought him back. He's eating me.
Nom, 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 nom. I'm good. Nom, 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 nom.
Tigers be eating. What if the tiger's faking? What if the tiger is not really sick? And the tiger's doing a fake cough to eat niggas. He's like, yo. He comes to the tiger pit like, yo, niggas, yo, get around, lower your voice. Yo, I was just watching the Human Channel and shit.
Yeah.
They all washing their hands because it's some sort of like human disease and like it make them mad sick and shit. And like they all worried. They not even like dude almost didn't lock the gate last night. What? So what I'm gonna do, like, yo, I'm not a good actor, but you, my nigga, you the Sidney Poitier of Tigers, my nigga. When I see you, I see Tiger Soul playing. So what I want you to do, I want you to just pretend you're sick. Okay, first things first, you the sickest. And I want you to just go in there. And I want you to, let me hear a cough.
Check it.
A little wet, a little more wet. Perfect. All right, lay on the floor right there, and I'm gonna call for the guard.
All right, bet.
All right, ready? Yo, Zio! Yo, he's sick! Oh shit! I talked English. Oh shit! Get up!
Oh shit!
I fucked up. Lay down. That's from our new Broadway play, Inmate Tigers. AKA, I know why the caged tiger roars.
Nigga said, oh shit, I spoke English. Yo, fucking. That just reminded me I watched Detective Pikachu. Yo, this is what it's coming to on quarantine, dog. I watched Detective Pikachu front to back.
I could beat you. I watched A Marriage Story, and it was actually very good. I was like, wow.
Wow.
I was like, wow, this should have, Adam Driver should have won an award for this. I wish you were dead.
Yo.
I was watching it. I was like, wow, this is exactly what marriage is like. Even though I've never been married. Wow.
Yo, it is. It's wild. I'm like, yo, if you never told your shorty some wild shit, like, yo, you motherfucker, you.
Hey, welcome to A Bronx Marriage Story. Hey.
You motherfucking facha brute. You motherfucker,
who the fuck are you talking to? You talk to your fucking wife like that?
Oh, my God, Maroon. Oh, if I didn't love my mother. Oh, I swear to God. Oh, my God, Maroon. Oh, my God.
Maybe I should go down to the meat store because maybe they got actual Brazil instead of what you've been giving me for 2 years.
Oh, hey. What are you talking about, huh? I take Cialis. Cialis. Whatever it is. Cialis.
Last time you got it up, Jason Giambi was playing first base.
Hey. Don't you ever put that name in your mouth again. I know what you did with him. I caught you. All right? You were at DNA in Queens on Techno Night. I saw you.
It was 1996. How else did I have to relive that?
Yeah. You fucking. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk.
I hope you go for a walk.
Fuck the quarantine.
I hope you get coronavirus and die.
You know what? You're a piece of, fuck you.
I take that back. I'm sorry. I love you.
Yeah, I bet you do. You fucking, could you?
Everyone's like, we need more of this. This is fantastic.
Yo, a marinara story.
I'm like, an A24 film. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm like, a marinara story. Yeah. Sponsored by Key Food.
Yeah. The Key Food. Shop the Key Food.
Shop the Key Food.
Yo, shout out my niggas ever shop the Key Food, Grand Union, motherfucking C-Town, Food Bazaar.
Food Bazaar.
And any supermarket where you could spend $100 and get a 20-pound bag of rice and a thing of motherfucking cooking oil.
Now, from now on, you got to go to the high-end supermarkets that have, like, pieces of cheese, and the cheese is the size of normal cheese, and you're looking at $60, and you're like, why? And they're like, wow. It's our special 100-year-old Gouda. And you're like, let me try it. And you buy it, and that shit tastes whack as shit.
You're like,
next time you walk in, they laugh at you. You're like, look at this dumb nigga. This nigga bought 100-year-old Gouda.
Nigga, if I would have told you I got 100-year-old cheese, what the fuck would you say?
I'd say Gouda and you cop.
If you had cheese in your fridge and it went past 4 weeks of expiration, would you throw it out? So why the fuck is your dumb ass smoking? I mean, why the fuck is your dumb ass? What do you do with cheese?
Eat it.
Eat it. There you go.
Spread it. Melt it.
I've been home so long now. I'm thinking like Family Feud. I'm like top 5 answers. Things you do with cheese.
Top five.
Shit, things you do with cheese. All right. Things you do with cheese. Smoke it.
Okay. He says smoke it. Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
All right. And let's go to the board. Survey says do first things you do with cheese. Smoke it.
Shit. Damn.
Oh!
All right.
Strike one.
Put it on your car to make your car go faster.
All right. Okay.
That's a good answer. You with that? Yeah. We're gonna go with that.
I think so. Okay. I respect that.
Put it on the hood. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Put it on the hood of your car. Things to do with cheese. Survey says. Oh, strike
come on.
two.
Jeez.
You hate to see it. All
right. Things we could do with cheese.
You got one more. You still got it. You're still in the game.
Fuck. Things you do with cheese.
Still in the game.
Things you do with cheese. Wipe it from under your foreskin.
Survey says.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on, let's see it, baby.
Got it.
Yeah, let's go.
Number one.
Yeah, the Suso
10,000
family
people.
wins. Yeah, Brady. Yeah. Yeah, we're all buying
700.
flashlights. Yeah.
That was actually the only answer.
Things you do with cheese. Bump, 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 bump.
Yo, this shit, the lockdown is getting so wild though that motherfuckers are arguing about the wildest shit on Twitter, bro. I see motherfuckers argue about circumcision, talking about, yo, y'all niggas with smegma can keep that. My shit is crispy clean. I'm like, fam, do you know how long you have to go without bathing to develop smegma under your fucking foreskin?
Well, related to that, if you search, there are people who do tweets like this. They're like, how often are you guys showering now? Like, I'm down to twice a week, and I'm like, excuse me?
I say what now? Oh,
Like,
what'd you say now, Chuck?
Just because you in your apartment doesn't mean you shower twice a week, you nasty motherfucker.
Yo,
That's how we got corona. Wash yourself.
Yo, chill.
All right? You could be nasty. You know what? You can do the I'm at home shit and take a shower and put on the same dirty clothes you had on before the shower. But you still got to shower. Okay?
Yo, please shower every day. Shower. Like you're really going to work.
Yeah,
okay?
you gotta do
put on
some normal
sweatpants.
shit. You gotta do some normal shit.
I don't care. You could do You could throw on your sweatpants. I don't care. Throw on the promotional T-shirt. It's cool. But
Also,
wash your ass.
every Zoom meeting, not everyone has to turn on the cameras. Like, let's just set the precedent now.
For real.
I'm not saying it about, for saving bandwidth or something. It's because some of y'all are ugly.
Yo,
like,
y'all look wild, and the camera angles are too much for me to handle.
Like,
at 11 a.m.
And the people in the meetings, I love y'all. I respect y'all. But damn, it's been a minute since any of us been to the barbershop. You know what I'm saying? These HD cameras show a lot of flaws. Maybe we just need to hear your voice. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing.
I'm out here with the Red Dead Redemption beard. I'm like, yo, please.
Yeah.
If we don't, can this be a phoner?
I'm about to dye my beard orange, like those,
like
the Hindu guys. Yeah, Showtime is gonna be like,
yo,
you're just gonna see the chat in the Zoom just zooming up. Like people's like, what can we do? They'll be like, is the light doing something to your beard? I'll be like, no, I dyed it yesterday. They're like,
yeah,
ooh.
Okay.
Desus, could you go downstairs? Mero's driver is going to meet you in 20 minutes with a fake beard. So just clip it on. But it's the wild expensive. It's the wild expensive fake beard. It's like $9,000. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
Y'all just had this on deck?
Shit is super legit. Pablo made it in 10 seconds.
It's like, yeah, I had these on deck just in case. You never know when you need one.
Yeah, bro, you need some extra tape.
Shout out to Pablo, bro. Pablo. Oh. Shout out to New York. You can get alcohol delivered, but the thing is now they're like, you have to order food with it, which is stupid. Like, come on, let's be food drunks out here. But you can just order like French fries or whatever and get mad liquor. So, that's cool.
Luckily, my liquor cabinet is looking pretty solid so far. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple cognacs in there. Got a couple 2 gins. You know what I'm saying? A couple vods. I think vodka's gonna be the last one to go. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yo.
That would probably be the first for me. I got some books off of Amazon before this all started, telling how to make like fancy drinks. So I've been practicing fancy drinks and different ramens and shit. And nigga, I am bored.
Yeah.
Nigga, I've been making. I bought a ice tray to make perfectly round ice cubes. Nigga, I don't need to do that. What am I doing?
Those shits are fire though. I ain't gonna hold you.
They are fire, but are they fire enough to spend all day making one to just go sit on your couch and then watch the quarantine episode of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia? Like, I mean, gotta have big plans. No matter what drink you're drinking,
Fam.
it classies up your drink.
Fam, if you throw that shit in a little fucking tumbler, like the little, not a tumbler, what the fuck are those shits called? Like the little scotch type glasses. You throw that shit in there.
It's a tumbler.
It's a tumbler?
Yeah.
If you throw that shit in a tumbler, nigga, woo! You can throw anything in that bitch. You can throw Kool-Aid in this shit.
Put it on Tumblr. Woo!
Yeah, bro said Tumblr. I started thinking about titties, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, it's good.
Little sepia tone.
That right there, and then if you want to get nasty, you put that inside the choach. No, you know what? Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's not.
Yo, anal beads with the fucking scotch ice cubes. Let's go. Bodega challenge.
Is that a new thing we should do? Should we make like a tray to make frozen anal beads?
Anal beads. Let's go,
Victor, get on that.
I think a more traditional route would be what are they called? The Benoit balls.
The Benoit balls.
Yeah. I stopped Benoit balls.
Oh, Benoit balls.
Yo, cool up your hot choach.
That girls got to work on their kegels, bro.
Oh, Benoit balls. Wow.
Yo.
I remember that. Remember that movie, The Handmaiden?
Yo. You gotta have strong floor muscles.
That Asian movie, and it was like I took my mother to see it, and I thought it was gonna be like a classy art film, and it was about like this Asian girl, and she took care of another Asian girl, and next thing I know, one girl was following another girl's tooth down, and their mouths were both open, and I was like, wait, what? And then because I'm a nasty susio guy, I was like, oh God, no. Oh no, I know what's about to happen.
You know what's about to happen.
Anyway, the final scene in the movie, they're just like, yo, if you're with the right person, you can get the Benoit balls to like make the perfect tone. When they're rubbing pussies together, when they're scissoring. Excuse me, I want to use this scientific term. So,
scientific term.
So the movie ends, and and they get on a boat and they leave, and it's like, oh my God, so happy ending, da da da. And like my mother refuses to look at me until we get out, and I'm like, all right, movie's over, we're about to get out. As we're about to get out of the movie, there's like a bonus scene, and it's just the two girls on the bed, and you just hear the Benoit balls going ding ding. Ding ding, and I'm like, okay, this is gonna be like 5 minutes. It's like 2 minutes. It was the longest 2 fucking minutes of my life. My mother was just looking straight ahead, so like, angered.
Yo, what the fuck?
And I was like, hey. I thought it was an art movie. She's like, I'm going to the bathroom. I was like, oh shit.
I'll be right back.
I was like, oh, she did not talk to me for the rest of the night. I was like, you know what? I was like, yo, if you want to disown me, that's cool. Yeah. But you know what's not cool? You not letting me be covered in the blood of Christ, mother.
I'm covered in the blood of Christ. Yo, that's a wild.
Future got to make a song. Future got to make a song called "Blood of Christ."
Blood of Christ. Nigga, I'm on that blood of Christ. Blood of Christ, and he's actually
talking about
blood
of Christ. Covered in blood of Christ. Covered in blood of Christ. Hasan to Messiah, Messiah to a liar. Covered in blood of Christ. Covered in blood of Christ. I saw the Christ in the Lord. I saw the Judas and sword.
Metro Boomin wants some more, nigga.
Yo, shout out to Drake. He didn't expose. He's spending time with his kid.
Yeah, respect.
Shout out to him saying, you know what? Pandemic. I could possibly die. Now's a good time to come into my child's life. That's what I'm gonna do. You know what I mean? It's very smart. It's a great time to embrace your secret family.
I just waiting on the next pandemic. Like, yo.
Yeah. Yo.
Niggas using the Chinese calendar that they use for fucking birth charts and shit. Like, yo, okay, if I have the baby on this day, I'm
like, listen, I will catch you not on the first wave of Corona, but on the second wave. Because it says it's going to happen. So that's when you'll see me. Also, if you guys want to do something fun, go on any major airline website and just try to not even book a flight. Just see how much a flight costs.
Yo.
Like flights from New York to LA are like $30.
Fam, it is like absolutely out of control. It is.
I mean, but if you try to do but still with me, I was like, how much are first class? They're like, no, first class is the same. I was like, why? Why first class to say? They were like, you gonna get actual food, nigga. I was like, oh. But then you don't actually get food. They just give you like drinks or some shit.
Yep.
And if you buy a coach ticket, don't think you're gonna sneak up to first class because they're like, no, get your broke ass back. Get your broke ass back.
Fam. Yeah, you can fly to DR right now for $98. That's wild. That is wild. That's a $400 ticket.
Shit. But see, it's also, it's not so much flying to DR, it's going to DR and probably not coming back. That's the part people forget about all these flights.
Like, yo, get on that tube full of demons with Corona and see what happens.
You know, the whole time the stewardess are just looking at you like, the flight attendant's looking at you like, this is dumb, nigga. Where you going?
You the reason I gotta come in today, you bozo.
But they still gotta fly the planes even if they're empty, because if they don't, they'll lose their slots at airports. So they're losing money left and right.
Oof.
It's as if capitalism is a scam.
Wow.
Anyway, we're sponsored by Cash App. Keep that sweet money coming.
Yeah. Yo, that's wild, bro. Like, I almost had that argument with somebody on Twitter, and then I was like, wait a minute, you have a life.
Can't be arguing with people on Twitter.
Yeah, I was like, but y'all didn't see that when Barack bailed him out, and I was like, I mean, bailing out cruise liners and bailing out like insurance companies is a little bit different.
Right now, I keep seeing this argument on Twitter, and I'm like, yo, that's stupid, and I like started to fix my mouth to say that, but you know how like stimulus checks are supposed to come through. But like some people might not see them for like 5 weeks, 6 weeks. And people are like, yo, can they just Cash App us?
Yo,
it would make sense.
Why not?
But so you want the U.S. government to use Cash App. The U.S. government, the website to file for unemployment, when you go on it, it says, please use Netscape 4. My nigga, Netscape 4 has not existed. In how many years?
That's why they should. Because, yo, you just Cash App Jack like, what, $500 billion?
Yeah.
And then he just hits us all at our Cash App.
In our Cash App,
sure it'll work.
Got a stimulus from the Cash App. Yo, if you out here using,
it's fucking Ben Carson in the office somewhere, like $,
dollar sign, the kid Mero, reason for your life, nigga.
Live, nigga.
Live, nigga.
That's the Jay-Z shit.
Don't spend it all in one place. Yo. But yo, if you use a Netscape 4, there's only two people that use Netscape 4. People looking at child porn and people just out of jail. There's literally no other. Who?
Facts.
Even the people who made Netscape don't use Netscape 4 anymore.
Modern browsers can't play child porn. Only Netscape.
You know what?
Yeah, seriously.
You know what? I don't usually do it, but I'm gonna hit y'all one time. I'm gonna hit y'all one time with the classics. Also, shout out to Floyd Mayweather's daughter stabbing a girl over NBA YoungBoy. So
wow,
I guess she didn't get her father's hands. I don't know.
That's a lot. Yeah, why wouldn't you duff him out? Or call your dad to duff him out? I feel like NBA YoungBoy and Floyd Mayweather are around the same size. I could be wrong.
Maybe, I don't know. He might be taller than him. I don't know. Because we've seen Floyd Mayweather in real life. He's,
you know what I'm saying?
He's like 5'6".
He's diminutive.
He's as the Latinos say, Paquito. You know.
Muy poquito.
Muy poquito. Muy poquito with the sausalito. But, yeah. Like, so, yeah, shout out to her. And then Tekashi's out. Tekashi's out of jail. Shouts to him. Congrats on snitching.
Yo, shout out to you.
Streets are done. There's no ethics anymore.
None. And it's wild because my man came out and commented on Instagram like, yo, we need people to snitch if you see people outside during COVID-19. And he was like, yo, I'm on the case. I was like, wow.
I remember this guy at the barber, a younger person in the barbershop, because niggas was getting really tight about, he was like, yo, y'all mad? Oh, y'all really upset about him snitching? And I was like, this nigga's making sense. But I was like, this nigga don't got a father in his life.
Yo,
you know what?
That's what happens, yo.
That's what happens. That's why you listen to rainbow head niggas is snitching. Huh? Huh?
Y'all accept that?
Y'all think that's cool?
Y'all gotta teach these devils.
Yo, someone turn some more R. Kelly on.
Yo, word. Like, yo, what? Yo, this is so incongruent, Pops.
Like, yo,
rest in peace. I said Pops. It just reminded me. Rest in peace, John Witherspoon. This happened a while ago, but I just remembered, and I was mad sad because I used to love Pops and everything. And Friday, and fucking the Wayne's brother show. He was a mad shit. He was great. R.I.P. to the God.
Rest in peace, Pops.
Yo, rest in peace, Joe with his food. It's my guy.
What made you just think of that?
Oh, because I said, I just randomly said Pops, and I never say Pops. So I was just like, what the fuck? What made me say Pops right now? And I was just like, maybe that was just in the back of my brain and it snuck to the front. It just got past security. Like, yo, what's up? Coming in the
That
club.
nigga died in like fucking October 2019, nigga. That nigga been dead.
Oh, shit. It was that long ago? God damn. Yo, this quarantine is getting to me, bro.
Damn.
I have no sense of time anymore whatsoever. All I know is that like Victoria will text me like, yo, boss, you ready? And I'm like, yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. I just run downstairs, put on a hoodie.
Time makes no sense anymore. What I do in order to, it's actually getting to the point now, I just use Judge Judy episodes to tell what day of the week it is. And like, God forbid they show an episode I was already seen. I'm like, oh no, what's happening? It's Groundhog's Day.
Yeah. But if they throw on a run, you're fucked. Because they come on and they throw on those runs a couple times, and they throw like 3 in a row, 4 in a row, and you're like, yo, whoa, what are you doing?
Amadeus.
You can't do that to me.
Oh.
These are dark times.
These are dark times, troubling times. But remember,
Troubling
we will get through this. We will get through this because
there's a light at the end of the tunnel.
You know what's going to get us through this?
Up.
Not the government, not our churches. The only thing that has gotten us through every pandemic, every disaster, every crisis
Teach these devils
have ever faced.
Teach these devils.
There's been one force that's protected the humans and allowed us to overcome.
Talk to them.
And be better. And be better people than we were before we started going through this crisis. And you know what that force is?
Huh?
Do you know what that force is? Hip hop, real hip hop.
Word.
The next generation will come with stronger lyrics and fatter beats.
Word.
Yes.
More
we will
syllables.
scratch on turntables to rebuild America. Wiki.
Yo, peep this transition.
I call on Donald Trump to use the stimulus package to build a fat beats in every state. We will turn this around.
We want vinyl. We want vinyl. No peace.
Hip-hop.
No vinyl. No
Hip-hop.
peace.
Trump's gonna be at a press conference. He's like, some people are saying, real lyrics work against Corona. So, what the hell do you have to lose?
And let me tell you something. There's a lot of people. I've been involved in hip hop since back in the day. You see the clubs. I was a club king. I was out there with Funk Flex back when it was hard to get a ticket. Okay, you see me in the clubs with Biggie. You see me in the clubs with Pac.
Dr. Fauci, he's an expert. But look at France.
Yeah,
people are using Cannibal Ox, and it's working wonders.
It's amazing.
It's working wonders. You
real
can use
hip-hop.
anything off the Def Jux roster.
Talk to
And
them.
I don't know what the hell are the doctors in America using.
Listen,
Why aren't they prescribing Fun Crusher Plus?
I'm telling them. I've come across a private company that makes a cocktail of various raucous records that is proven as a cure. Okay, we're gonna start testing yesterday.
90%. 90%. Get it. 90. That number's grand. 90% of coronavirus victims after hearing 2 LP songs.
Yes,
Full recovery.
full.
Full recovery. Don't even get me started on what happens when they are exposed to Run the Jewels.
Oh.
I can't even begin to tell you.
All outgoing patients that are being discharged that have survived are sent home with the whole entire RTJ discography to recuperate at home.
Actually, if Run the Jewels made a song called Stay Home, white people would stay home.
White people will say 1,000,000%.
I don't know
1,000,000%.
about... That would make more black people go outside, though. Just be difficult.
Like, yo, these white motherfuckers keep coming in the fucking building, yo.
Fuck
It was
that
going to the
shit,
park. We had
dog.
I could smoke weed in the hallway and shit, yo, because fucking Mason and Jennifer went to the fucking park. Now I can't even smoke weed in the hall no more.
That
Niggas
shit
in the
is
house baking bread.
That's some white guy and Killer Mike. Yo, fuck that shit. I'm going on the blog, nigga. Fuck that.
Fuck that.
Fuck that, nigga. These niggas, fuck that. These niggas trying to spit lyrics for real. Fuck that.
Fuck
Yo, don't
that
want
shit,
some
nigga.
babies.
Yo, word. I'm trying to throw up. I'm trying to turn up, nigga. Fuck that.
Yo.
And throw up. Fuck that. You know what
And
I
it's
mean?
gonna be, they're all like, stay home. Nigga, it was 63 degrees today. It was beautiful. Like,
Yeah.
I have sense. I understand what's going on. But I'm starting to feel some kind of way if I'm outside my house and I'm social distancing and I see niggas, barbecuing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If they got their car open and they're doing bachata dances and they're drinking Nutcracker and maybe someone's sunbathing, you know, maybe my social distance. I know. But it sucks because then it's like, what's even the point of us social distancing? Because these jabronis are doing it and running all rampant and going to spread it to us.
Yeah. You just got to be like super duper careful.
I don't want to be that guy. But who's the head of the Philippines? Durant? Not Kevin Durant.
I seen him. Yeah, he's a wild boy. He said, "I'm gonna clap you
if you're outside.
I'm gonna clap you, nigga."
Gotta hit both sides. Gotta hit both sides. However, I'm gonna clap you is also the way he deals with drug addicts and gay people. So you know, you know what? Hey Maz, give him a problematic light.
Yo.
Also, shout out to Maz the God. He his final show was last week. He's no longer on Francesa.
Yo. Salute
to you, my man.
OG.
For putting up with all that for
years. For years. Yo. That's the guy right there.
So there's a new part of the show we like to call the recipe report. What are you guys cooking? Victor, what's up? What's the last thing you flamed up?
I made a little shepherd's pie with impossible ground beef.
Oh,
no,
real meat.
Does it taste like real meat? I haven't tried it yet.
You know, when you put a bunch of like stuff in it, like when it has spices, like shepherd's pie has you have to it's in broth and there's tomato paste and Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, like I can't tell the difference at all. But then we had some breaded chicken cutlets and mashed potatoes today. We got time.
Hey, you know the vibes.
I like that.
We got time.
Oh, and now we will switch over to Joel Martinez's house.
Yes.
Joel, what are you eating over there?
Hi. So, Heather and I are working on a double range. She was working on a nice southwestern quinoa dish. Since quinoa's for fucking herbs, I was on the other side. I had 10 plátanos left. 5 of them was green. I made man mango with those, but then the other 5 ripened up. So I made man maduros, some rice, some beans, and some motherfucking steak that I had in the deep freezer that came out, and the shit slapped. So if you don't have a deep freezer and you're a meat eater, copy one. You know what I'm saying? They're cheap, low key. If you catch the PC Richards sidewalk sale where they sell them shits that got like a dent in it for like $50, go copy one. Them shits, you know what I'm saying? It'll hold you down, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and now,
thank
for
you,
the God himself, Desus.
Thank you. Just keeping it simple. It's a Sunday. Jamaican codfish fritters.
Okay.
It's a little hard to get since I was not able to get codfish, Scott bonnet, scallions, tomatoes, water, baking powder. But in theory, no, I couldn't get codfish. But that's what I set out to make this today. But I think we need a new segment on the show because we already do the podcast twice a week. We should do a Zoom meeting where we all eat dinner.
Yo,
and we just let people. It's gonna be ASMR. We're gonna be like mad noisy on the mic, like.
Oh my god. Oh, so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, get your juices. Get those juices in my mouth, you nasty.
Oh man.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Sorry, I hit the wrong Zoom meeting. Sorry.
Yo.
No, that's why I support it. You got to put the password on your Zoom meeting because they have a site, Zoom Roulette, and it just generates random numbers and takes you to whatever room.
Fam.
So you could just go into a room, and if people don't know, that's how you take over the room. And people are just like, it's like white supremacists taking over. It's not. It's little kids. They're bored. Yeah, it's trolls.
Fam, if somebody's calling you the N-word and also drawing dicks on the screen, chances are they're not like a legit like alt-right fucking protester type ass dickhead. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
It's fucking Tyler, the 6th grader, who's a fucking piece of shit.
See, if you really want to troll people, don't go into Zoom meetings and give them racial slurs. Go in there and give them hip hop hot takes that you don't really believe.
Facts.
Go in there and be like, yo, let me see. Something that someone could type in a meeting and get me super outraged and I won't be able to concentrate. Jay-Z's overrated.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine you do a Zoom meeting and people just like, Jay-Z's overrated. What the fuck?
Yo, Daytona was trash.
Jay-Z don't got no hits.
No. Jay-Z don't got enough hits to battle Young Berg.
Yo, Drake surpassed Jay-Z years ago. I'm like, I'll turn it to fucking Law and Order. I'll call Zoom. I'm like, I need his fucking IP right now.
Yeah, I feel like I'm a selective old head and shit because I would like entertain the Drake Jay-Z shit for like a split second. But if you talk about LeBron and Jordan, I'm like the wild LeBron stand. Like, nah, fuck that.
No, that's how I am with the Drake Jay-Z thing. Like, you can show me actual numbers. You can show me actual statistics.
You're like, nah.
You can periodically prove to me that he has surpassed Jay-Z, and I'm like, nah, nigga.
And
it's like, it's not really nah, nigga. Like, I'm gonna ignore you. Like, in my head, I'm like, I'm gonna shoot this nigga. I'm gonna throw. Like, I remember my cousin. I told the story all the time about how my cousin was on Rikers during Takeover and Ether, and how this guy got his face slashed at the phones, and it had nothing to do with anything else, but just because he said that Takeover was whack. And so the nigga slashed his face open, and my cousin was like, actually, he had no other beef with the guy other than that. And I was like, at the time, I was like, that's stupid. But now, I get it.
I mean, honestly, it is the old head. It is the wild old head discussion. Like
old head,
whatever.
But you know what? That's gonna be like the next generation. They're gonna be like, yo, who's better, Kodak Black or NBA Youngboy? And I'm gonna be in my wheelchair like, who the fuck?
How, nigga? Don't let me tell you about motherfuckers.
Y'all ever heard about Mike Geronimo? Let me tell you.
Come on, nigga. Royal Fresh was better than Little Pump.
Let me tell you something. You know who was lyrical and people slept on them? Little C's. Little C's had lyrics.
Yo. Until the unfortunate passing of Biggie.
They're gonna be like, oh, let's go visit Grandpa Desus. I was like, you know, they say that, they say Nicki Minaj's lyrics, but if we want to talk, the real queen of rap is Paula Perry.
That's
Paula
right.
Perry, all Glocks down.
All Glocks down, that's right.
She didn't say some Glocks. She said all Glocks.
All of them. You got to put them all down.
You kids so beautiful.
That's real hip-hop.
You kids so beautiful and pretty. Now I don't. My God, I remember. Oh yeah, you know your grandpa lived through Corona. Come in here and wash your hands. Get in here. Wash your hands.
Okay.
Wash your hands. Don't come in here and give me that Rona.
Wash my hands. Yeah, nah, man.
All right.
Yo,
all right.
Grandpa, we were all vaccinated against Corona. That was 45 years ago.
I remember that. We had to stay in our houses for 5 years.
Yeah, we all
5
do.
years.
We all do. We teleport everywhere, Grandpa.
I had to make a fleshlight out of cardboard. It was one of the hardest parts of my life.
Grandpa, we what did you do with the virtual reality sex doll we sent you?
No, you see, they closed down the post office. You know
why?
So
they closed the what?
No, this was back in the Corona days. Back when the Corona was.
He's slipping again. We gotta go.
We
gotta go.
Bye.
Goodbye, sir.
I had a tiger that had Corona. He was
bye, sir. Have a great night. It's good to see you. Bye.
Leave me.
Bye. Have a great day. Goodbye. Okay. Gonna go now.
It's so cold and dark here. Oh.
Yo. Damn.
Sad. But no, like, we are definitely telling the next generation about Corona.
Oh yeah, 1000%.
Like, think about it. The people in the depression and the people in the Black Plague, do you think they knew they were going through it? Niggas wasn't waking up like, yo, this depression is whack. Like, niggas ain't know.
Yo, as New Yorkers, you know the shit that we're gonna brag about when we're mad old and washed, when we're like super old and washed? Yo, 9/11, Corona, like we got 2 off top, 1-2 punch, nigga, we're done. There's nothing that you lived through that
Yeah, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. No one gives a shit about 9/11. I'm sorry. If you were around for 9/11 or you know someone who died, you know what? I'm hitting problematic light right there.
That's a bold claim, Johnny Coltrane. It's about 9/11.
No, but the thing is, 9/11 was so long ago. The new generation has no idea what it was. They're just like, what? There was a 9/11 to the new generation is what Pearl Harbor is to us. Do you get when Pearl Harbor happens? When Pearl Harbor happens, do you get emotional? Do you go?
I was about to say,
else? No, no one gives a shit about that.
Remember in public school when niggas used to on Pearl Harbor Day, they used to say over the PA, "Today we remember a day that will live in infamy." I'm like, what, nigga? It's Thursday.
What happened?
What happened?
Niggas is like, yo,
he's like the 60-some-odd-year-old vice principal.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, come on, son.
Come on,
like,
you come in the room late. Niggas like, why we doing the Pledge of Allegiance again? They be like, oh, so the R&B singer Pearl Harbor died. Oh shit.
Oh no.
She was in 3LW. She was in 3LW, right?
Nah. B2K, nigga.
Oh shit.
Nah, she was one of the Cheetah Girls.
Because like even now when people are like, yo, 9/11, people's like, oh yeah, 9/11 had, like 9/11 also was a very New York thing. People, they did a study after that, and people, like a space shuttle blew up or some shit after 9/11, and people in America said that felt more like a unifying event in America than 9/11, because 9/11 felt like,
you know why? Because it's like
New York, Pennsylvania, and DC. And also it happened so early in the morning that other places, like if you were in Hawaii or California, you weren't even awake when 9/11 happened. So you woke up and the shit was done.
That's a fact.
So, but now Corona, we're gonna talk about this Corona. We survived it. Everyone that survived this got to get a "I survived Corona" tattoo on their neck.
Yeah, bro. I can't wait till we get to that phase.
Victor, enough talk. I need you to be coming up with catchy slogans we can put on cheap T-shirts. Come on. Group sessions. Let's think.
You remember next Friday where like Pinky almost gets bodied, but then he gets his gun back at the end? He's like, that nigga had me scared. I'm Pinky, nigga. That's how I would be when Corona was over. Like, yo, that nigga gonna have me, but fuck it. I was scared.
Victor, I need you to go find the people from Sega. And do you know the video game Daytona? I need you to copyright Corona in that tone. We need to own that. What else?
The beer. We got to do some type of act shit with the beer. When we drop
Corona. You know what we'll do? We got to recruit Cash App to take over the Corona bottling plant because they halted production.
That's right.
Niggas really got it this twisted.
You know what I'm saying?
All right,
as well.
We could make some money that way. We can make some money that way, or you want to listen to the Desus way. Okay. We start a cover band called Roni Roni Roni, and we only do Tony covers, but we're dressed like coronavirus.
Feels bad.
Feels bad.
Yo, we could, on TikTok, we can get the rights to My Sharona and redub it as My Corona.
Oh, you know it.
And just go off.
Oh man, it feels bad. Yeah, it feels bad. No, it feels bad. Something in your lungs and you can't breathe. Ooh, baby. They never breathe in Southern California.
And it ain't because of smog. Oh, no.
Wow. You know what I feel bad for? Our NSA agents. The people that watch what we do on our computer all day. Are they essential workers? Are they still at the job? Agent Smith, what are you doing?
What are you doing, fam?
You think he has to do it from home? I feel bad. Imagine like our FBI agent has to like look at our browser through a window at home and their kids are running around. They're like, Daddy, what's that? And it's like, please look away.
Please,
he's nasty.
Please don't watch it.
He's
please.
sucio.
Yeah,
it's a big wet butt. He's looking at big wet butt. He's looking at it again.
Again, I told you that 2 days ago.
He's gonna turn on the webcam. He's gonna jerk off. He's gonna feel bad. He's gonna close the MacBook. He's gonna smoke a blunt. He's gonna come back. He's gonna do it again. And this time afterwards, he's gonna Google big wet butts. Nothing's gonna come up. Then he's gonna think he's slick. He's gonna go to incognito mode. Put in big wet butts. Nothing's gonna come up. Then he's gonna put in big wet butts porn. That's not going to bring up anything. Then he puts a Big Wet's Butt Twitter. And then he's going to get frustrated because the Big Wet's Butt's Twitter account, you can't really follow it. No, excuse me, the Instagram account, you can't follow it if you're not logged in. And he's going to get mad. And he's going to like, fuck this shit. And then he's just going to like Google something about turning your life to Christ and then closes his MacBook. Like, he does it every night.
Yo, Instagram is wild because you can watch lives on Instagram, right? But you can't log in and do anything else?
Oh, you mean if you're not logged in?
Yeah, like if you're not
logged in, no, you can't do shit. Like you can browse someone's page and then like after a couple seconds, like, hey, you want to log in, nigga?
Yeah, it was good.
What's up? What's up?
I was like,
you trying to scroll? It's like, hey, big man, no scrolling.
I was like,
no scrolling.
This is my own
big
shit.
Big man, the login's right there. Big man, the login's right there.
But I'm the Kid Mero. It's me. Look, the pictures.
Big man.
They have me.
Big man, if you was the Kid Mero, why would you be logging on his page in incognito mode?
I'm
big man. I'm gonna keep it funky with you.
Okay.
If I tab over Am I gonna be sad when I see the next
no,
tab?
no.
I'm gonna tab over right now.
No.
Big man.
I'm good. Go.
The big man. I didn't want to say nothing.
Yo, listen, you got it, OG. You got it.
Big man, before you came in this tab,
you got it.
I saw you mute the speakers on the last tab.
No.
What's going on there?
Nah, it was because ads. It was ads.
You know what? Yo, big man. Yo, I'm on the walkie. Yeah, I'm gonna need some backup over here. He's got a situation.
Yo, it was a solar battery ad, my nigga, on God, yo, bro. I swear to God, yo, it was a solar battery ad.
He got 2 tabs open.
Oh man, yo, bro, it's an ad.
He got mad tabs open. I can't see what the main tab says, but all I see is big wet and I see BU. I don't know. Is that big wet butter?
No, basketball. It's the Knicks block.
There's no you and butter, my man. Big man. There's no you and butter. There's no you and basketball, bro.
No. It's the European. It's the European league. It's European league, bro. It's basketball.
Bro,
basketball.
Social distancing. I'm gonna need you to step back 6 feet from your laptop.
You got it.
Nah, fuck that. You gotta grab your laptop and jump out the window at that point.
Fuck that, nigga. You can't stop me.
Can't set that.
I'm off the Wi-Fi.
Nigga falling out the window like, and I just beat my meat.
Ah, you tight.
Imagine you jump out the window, but you land on your back and somehow your MacBook survives.
Yo.
Even worse, because you had logged in before you jumped. It opens and it's just like opening people on the street like, yo, he's still logged in.
Yo.
Oh, shit. Yo.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he a nasty nigga. Start kicking your corpse.
Nasty nigga.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Sarah J Podcast. I'll see you, nigga.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Wow.
Niggas just...
This nigga got a bookmark for the Kim K sex tape? What? This nigga washed. Why you got so much Mary Kate and Ashley Oslin on this hard drive? Like, yo.
I had that for no reason because I'm like 40 years old.
You're just like, because they were really talented and they worked very hard in Full House to carry that show on their back. Like, I just want to show appreciation.
Like, yo, this nigga got mad VHS tapes.
Yeah, if you go into a place and someone got VHS tapes, you gotta ask questions.
You gotta ask a lot of questions. First,
what's on the VHS tape that's not accessible on YouTube and the internet?
Mm-hmm. What is that scribble scrabble that you wrote on the little tape label shit? I can't read it. I'm not sure what it is.
What is this label? What does this label Jeremy 3:20 p.m. mean?
Yo. Ow.
Ow. Watch out now. That's our new app. Welcome. We're the Bodega Boys. Have you ever been in your living room and said, you know what I could use right now? The beat nuts. That's right. We could get the beat nuts to your door with our new app, Beating It. Get Juju right to your door. Use the app. Just select your beat nut song. Do you want Off the Books? The remix?
Huh? The remix? Huh?
So many songs. And
we got all of it. Sacabel for my Spanish speakers. And we have, we can, like my compatriot Desus said, Juju himself will deliver it to your door or Psycho Lest. You choose.
Guess what? You know, Juju and Psycho Lest heading to you. And you know what? You use the app and when you hear, oh, watch out now, that means they're coming soon. They'll be right there for you. Oh, wow. If you act right now, we'll turn in Al Tariq, unhumble. Yo, hip hop,
real hip hop. Niggas are gonna be googling the shit out of
you wanna know how I'm real hip hop? When J-Lo came out with I'm Just Jenny from the Block, I was like, yo, you fucking serious? That's the Beat Nuts sample. How dare you?
How you know
that shit would come on the radio. I turn that shit off. I'll be like, that's not right.
That
ain't right. Also, that was the same way when Diddy came out with Can't Nobody Hold Me Down. I was like, nigga! Yo!
How dare you?
Yo, this is like making a blunt using the Shroud of Turin. How could you?
Stop sampling niggas with your hands.
How dare you? Don't push me, cause like
I was like,
even though it was like the 90s or whatever. Like my temperature equaled the temperature of Corona. That's how mad I was. I was like, how dare he?
Mad mid smoke started coming out your ears.
I was like, but. You know what? Diddy was like, you know what? I'll do what I want. I'll sample whatever I want. There's not a goddamn thing you can do. And you know when Diddy was wilding the most? His song with Jimmy Page for Godzilla.
Wow.
Come with me. Yeah.
Wow.
You know, just a quick Led Zeppelin sample.
Yo,
cashmere.
quick.
That white suit was icy though. I gotta respect it. Down to the white gators. When he's like falling through the sky.
Oh,
It's
man.
intercut with scenes of Matthew Broderick.
Yo, that's so
That was the
wild.
Matthew Broderick Godzilla.
Yo, is that top 5 worst movies? Like bad, like not like worst, like
I gotta watch it again.
Yo,
Probably.
that shit is bad, bro. I gotta
Is
watch
that
it
the one where
again
they
too.
laid the eggs in Madison Square Garden?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
shit is
yeah,
not good.
wow.
And then didn't they have a
was
sequel to
not-
that shit?
That was a weird time because there were just like a lot of Godzillas coming out for no reason.
What the fuck? Yo, fucking Godzilla. You gotta be real high to go see Godzilla 2000, nigga. Like,
Yeah.
See this?
Matthew Broderick was
in the
running.
theater.
Is he still
Also-
married to Sarah Jessica Parker, Desus?
That's an excellent question.
And then he did Inspector Gadget. Like he was coming for all the mainstream Hollywood tentpole checks.
Are they still married? I'm trying to find out right now. I know people. There's people listening.
Then he killed a guy in Ireland. And he was like, "Yeah, I just blacked out," and then he just skated.
Oh yeah, they are. They are
He
still
dropped
married.
that
They've
shit
been-
off. It hurts, and was like, "Catch me stateside."
So Sarah Jessica Parker and Matthew Broderick have been married. Let's we'll play a game. How long do you think they've been married? Victor, what do you think? How long?
24 years.
Mero, what do you say?
19 years.
Oh, you're both wrong because you're both ill-educated Latinos. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
How long?
How long?
22.
22?
No, 23. 23 years.
Oh,
23
not
years.
far off.
24.
You said
It's a matter
24.
of months. You're
said
talking
24.
semantics.
You said 24, and you know what? That answer would have been right if I said name one of T.I.'s hits. But that's not what I asked. Okay.
All right. Yo, you're
right.
full of a lot of hot takes now.
Okay.
24
All right.
was a hit.
That was
24.
Yo,
I know. Oh, no, niggas. No, we're from New York. So if we knew that song, that means that shit was a hit.
Yeah.
remember the show he had with Beanie Man?
Which one?
I'm serious. And it was Beanie Man?
Oh,
like,
yes.
singing on the hook?
God, because
Yeah.
again, here comes. Do you want to know? Again, angry Desus hip hop head. I hated T.I. when he first came out because T.I. stole the beat for his song for "I'm Just Doing My Job" from up and coming scrappy rapper from Miami by the name of Rick Ross. And I didn't understand at the time that like producers could sell beats to multiple people and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Like I literally thought T.I. and I was like, this fucking gangster, he doesn't
Damn.
respect the industry. Like I didn't know what the fuck was going on.
That's such a hip hop shit. Like, it's not just like the dude in your crew, the one dude in your crew who makes beats for like just you and your crew.
Yeah.
That's not how it works.
I'm like, what? I was like, this is sick. I was like, look, these people are just stealing beats. How dare they?
This isn't real hip hop.
All right.
Yo, but I
I'll
will
see you
say
guys.
this
I got to go to my meeting at Zulu Nation. It's my turn to host.
Was Rubber Band Man a hit?
Rubber Band Man was a hit. Yeah. That did
Really?
numbers. That did numbers on 106 in Park. Yeah. Rubber Band Man's
I thought that
24.
shit was whack.
Trouble Man-
yo, T.I.
Rubber
has
Band
flights.
Man.
I just never thought.
Wow,
Wow, those
this is
weird
a-
things were
Rubber
like
Band.
he's like Cardi B to me in the sense that like I thought now that like we've heard a few things from Cardi, I actually think what Bodak Yellow is like.
Not that great.
It's one of the tracks I reach for last. Now that like she has like a whole long
oh, no,
discography,
no.
I feel like the same thing happened with T.I. Like Rubber Band Man, I don't really give any thought to anymore.
You know what
Well, I
it is?
remember I was at I forgot what record company I was at. I think it was Rockefeller, and they were saying that T.I. is going to be the Jay-Z of the South. And at the time, we were like, "Get the fuck out of here!" Like, first of all, also Jay-Z wasn't even Jay-Z yet. But
Niggas still had a
Like,
do-rag
what?
on.
but if you look, T.I. has some very impactful impactful albums, and he still puts out music. So
Yo,
Oh
you-
yeah, no doubt.
The
But
washer
thing
is he niggas forget, not even like forget about his shit, his features. He's like a Ludacris type nigga that will get on a fucking like a Justin Bieber song, like all the shit he did with Justin Timberlake. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like every time Timberlake needed a verse, he was like, "Yo, T.I., come over here and talk about like eating like pussy or some shit."
And also, I was around at Rockefeller for this, one of my proudest moments. I had nothing to do with it, but I'm still taking credit. Memphis Bleak's album that had Round Here on it with T.I. Remember that? What was it, 4-5, was it 4-5-6? Was that Memphis album?
Yeah, that beat was hard, and there was another.
That
beat
whole
on
album, that album was really good. People slept on that album because it had Hypnotic with Jay-Z and Beanie Siegel talking about smoking weed. It had a lot of bangers on that.
Is that
shit.
the song? Yo, because I've been looking for that song forever, and if you know the name of it,
I owe you fucking $1 trillion. Because it's been years. It's a song with Bleak and Beanie. I don't know if Jay's on it, but the beat switches up in the middle of the song or towards the end of the song.
Oh, the one I'm talking about is Made, M-A-D-E. That was a banger. Are you talking, what? But the song you're talking about is Jay and, but is this like a flute?
No, it's Bleak and Beanie, and it's Bleak and Beanie is on Bleak's album, and the beat switches up halfway through the song or like at the end of the song. I can't remember the name of the song for the life of me, but it's an album cut off, I think 4, 5, 6, whatever the shit where he's holding the 3 chains.
The chains, that's 534.
534.
534. Oh, with no, I don't see anything here with Beanie. I think Beanie was like missing at that point, but yeah, maybe it was, I don't know.
Yo,
but yeah.
Let me ask you guys a question. How many Kobe headphones do you think you guys have gone through in your lifetimes?
Ooh, Kobe! Wow, you said that, and
this is a Kobe
you said that
hip hop conversation, bro.
You said that, and I was like, what Kobe Bryant got to do with this nigga? But no,
NBA,
nothing was sadder.
The NBA.
The power rankings of headphones: Sony, Awia, Kobe. Yep. And see, the scam with the Kobe was if you bought a pair, and eventually what happened, just one side of them shorted out.
Yo,
what you had to do? What you had to do? You had to buy one. You had to buy a new pair of Kobe headphones. Carefully open the package, put the broken ones back in there, and take them back and be like, "Yo, I just bought them. They didn't work." Then you got 2 new ones, but you can only do that once, and then like the guy at the store is like, I know what you up to, you little cheap son of a bitch.
Yeah.
And I was
the little Asian kid gift, like, nigga,
yeah, I know what you up to. I know what you up to.
I know what you're doing. You little scammer.
Yeah, that. And then like the worst was like if one ear died, and you was like, yo, I could go the rest of the day doing this, and your body was like,
When you wrapping the shit around the CD player just to make the shit work, that's the end of the chapter for them shits. You gotta go back to the dollar store.
Or even better, like when you listen to the rap songs, but you're only hearing like the sub or like the left side. Now you're just hearing the ad libs. You're not hearing the actual lyrics. You're just hearing like, yeah, like that, yeah, had the gun on me, bitch, yeah, 5 years left, yo, Dr. Saeed. Rat-ta-ta-ta. Like I can't live like this. I can't sleep at night. You can't do shit like that.
Yo, that was the worst when you had the stereo fucking cassette with the mono headphones and you just hear the wild like, yo, was that an ad-lib?
No. You want to hear an old head wash complaint? The worst was when you bought a cassette and one side was longer than the other. So then you had to rewind the cassette. You had to kill your batteries. It was terrible.
I was like, damn, I was broke as fuck, nigga, because I was using cassettes into the 90s.
No, the trick, I remember Outkast AT Aliens, their the A side was shorter than the B side on the cassette. So what I did, Outkast did a song with TLC, and I put tape over the Outkast cassette, and I recorded the TLC song onto the Outkast cassette, so then it could just go the whole time. And you couldn't tell me I was fly as shit. However, the young ladies in the Bronx, I would tell that I did this, was like, "Ooh, get away from me, you little nerd."
How'd you do
and
that?
I was like,
you're a nerd.
And I was like, guess what? In 10 years, I'm gonna be selling drugs. You're gonna be tight then. How you feel? You gonna be tight when you see me in all white and envy. Yeah. I'm here on Sunday nights when the niggas don't work. You know what it is, ma. We hustling. All my niggas busting bad checks. Put your hands up. You're. If you ever, at some point in your life, had to check what ID you showed people, you know, this is your podcast.
Yeah, boy.
If you ever had to tell the cop like, you know what? That's not the right one. I'm gonna need that back.
Fuck, speaking of clubs, D-Nice in his club quarantine, yo, some nigga in the comments, like, I totally forgot about this and I remember this shit. You know when you just remember some random shit, like you could be showering and doing whatever and you just start cracking up laughing? So dude, I have no idea who is, wrote in the comments, yo, this is ill. I feel like I'm at Bentley's. I was like, wow.
Wow, took it back.
I was like, you're washed.
Bentley's.
I was like, sex boogie there. Yo, shout to Bentley's. Shout to fucking Jimmy's Bronx Cafe. You know what I'm saying? Shout to fucking Act 3.
Fuck that. Victor, you need to we're bringing back Jimmy's City Island.
Yo.
Right now, Steve is like, Jesus, I don't think right now is the best time to open a restaurant. I'm like, fuck that. We're opening a restaurant. Let's go.
But best time to scam on some real estate.
True.
Yo, facts.
Also, shout out to everyone. If you still have your job and your lease is about to expire, you need to press the shit out of your landlord to lower your rent. Because guess what? They not getting no new tenants no time soon.
Nope.
So you let them boys know.
Like, yo, I'm out.
Because you be like, yo.
I got another crib.
You be like, yo, if, it'd be a shame if, I just completely stop paying rent entirely. Like.
How would you feel about that?
How would you feel if your rent was alone or at home on Sunday home? Because I'm lazy and the only way to feed you is pay with an envelope and a money order, and Daniel's not gonna do that shit. I'm too cheap and I'm trying to pocket my shit. Oh, you say this is just a good time for me. I'm just being cheap. Ow. Oh. They're like, sir, again, you cannot come to housing court and use City High as your defense for not paying your rent.
Sir. You've represented yourself 12 times now, and
Your Honor, I would just like to say, I can't pay my rent because I was 5'5" with brown eyes. The sunshine.
Yes. I've seen this before. Yeah. You've been here 10 times this week, sir. I don't know how, but you have. So I'm just gonna say, don't pay your fucking rent. I don't give a shit. Case dismissed. Okay.
Hey landlord, guess what? Following in Wyclef production, I guess you can say my rent was going to be gone to September. I am gone to September. I remember my boy in college, like he said the album was so fire. He would play that all the time. And the weird, like if he was Haitian, that would make sense. He was Filipino. I don't get it. I do not get it. Okay. He was just like, yo.
They got some sauce though. Filipinos be having the wild Spanish names.
Oh, and come on! Listen. Desus is half Filipino. I bang with the flips.
Like both niggas that half black and Filipino, faking no jacks.
You know what I'm saying? When I filled out the census, I put down Blackapino.
Blackapino. They're like, he means pornography, by the way.
But my boy was like, yo, this Wyclef album is the Carnival. That's all he played for months. Wow, and the thing was, I needed a ride because I was like a commuter at college, so I had to go to the bus station. He was like, I could drop you at work. That was the difference between 45 minutes on a bus versus a 5-minute car ride. So I was like, yo, my nigga, turn that Wyclef up.
Yo, you know what this is? Speaking of Kobe headphones and Wyclef in that era. Yo, Cannabis. Whatever happened to Cannabis? Wasn't Wyclef trying to... He got on the remix to Gone to November, right?
Victor.
It was over, fam?
Victor, put this in your CDR. www.cannabis.com. That's not how CDRs work. That's not how CDRs work.
At all. No,
he had a beef with LL Cool J.
Yeah, and he got cooked. Yo, I knew he jumped the shark when he showed up to the Grammys painted completely silver.
Oh yeah,
that was it.
Wow, only you and him remember that.
Yeah, that was it. That was it. When I seen that, I was like, oh no, that's it. Like, yeah,
you know what? You know what I want to say? The reason Cannabis didn't blow, people didn't take him serious. Cannabis had a song called "How Come," and in the song he said that on December 31st, 1999, at 11:59 p.m., the Earth was going to be destroyed. So.
Damn.
He was like, it's like, how come? He's like, in the future, the location of the planet Earth. The date is 1999, December 31st, 11:59 p.m. The anticipation of what I think is about to happen got my heart beating. We got less than a minute left before the planet Jupiter is ignited into a star. I know it sounds bizarre, but it's mathematics, a specific sign for some of the planet's inhabitants. Those who understand know what I'm saying is accurate. Our country is corrupt from the president to the cabinet. In the year 2, followed by 3 zeros, the space probe Galileo will welcome us all to Channel 0. But how come?
Yo.
By the way, Desus did that without looking at lyrics. He just knows them.
Yo.
And the best part, like the hook is the wild African singer. He's like, how come?
That's all I remember about this song.
How come?
That's all I remember of this song. I don't remember the verse. Like, oh, that is so wild.
Now, let me tell you. Jupiter is going to turn into a star. I want to be like, yo, Neil deGrasse, get this nigga.
Get this nigga.
That's not how this works.
I think everyone has that moment in the barbershop where you take that hot towel off your face, like, yo, shut the fuck up, my man.
Yo, fam, you doing a lot.
You get mad
right
Noxzema and y'all, yo, shut the fuck up.
You're doing a lot right now, fam.
And you got to do it aggressively, and like as they talk more, you shut the fuck, yo, my man, shut the fuck up.
Y'all,
Yo,
Yo,
oh
man.
God.
Yo,
Yo, my
son.
nigga, say that 5G shit again, dog.
Yo, my man's on the phone right now. He said, is it static? You want me to tell him yes or no?
Yo.
All right then.
This nigga saying 5G causes homosexuality in children, and we all know it's caused by Big Red. All right, Big Red gum.
You chew Big Red and you start snapping that shit. You know what? You know what
the fuck it is. Let me ask you something. You as a man, you let your son chew cinnamon? Wow,
Come on, son.
Wow.
A fucking
that little
aromatic.
That little nigga gonna be on pose.
You know what I'm saying? That little nigga's gonna be aromatic.
Okay. Nigga come home mad tight like, come here. Nigga, you smell like cinnamon. Nigga, you been eating muffins like that? Nigga, when you come in here, you smell like armpits. Like, no,
straight up.
That, Daddy. I don't want to do that.
It's armpits and feet, nigga.
Okay, why did we just write an episode of Empire?
Yo, that was so wild. Yo, I knew the show was gonna be absolutely wild when fucking Terrence Howard came in the crib and seen Jussie in high heels and like a silk scarf on his head and picked him up and threw him in the trash can outside. I was like, all right, okay. But maybe these niggas are doing the maximum.
But maybe Terrence Howard, we don't realize Terrence Howard was like, yo, I'm throwing you in the garbage for something you're gonna do in a couple years from now.
Yo,
yeah,
yo, that Dreamcatcher do-rag, niggas, tells the future.
You know what I'm saying? We just out here schlumping and lumping, skylarking. You guys can't see because there's no video. Mero is eating cottage cheese. Like, he's changed.
Oh, shit. Hell no. Yo, that shit, just the mere mention of that shit made my stomach go, fuck you, nigga.
In the middle of a cantaloupe.
Yeah, wow. Anyway, we got to probably end the podcast now because Mero's about to go live on IG with Goop. Mero, how do you beat your meat to yogurt? I'm like, wow, this nigga's
like, yo,
nasty.
listen, man. Yo, Chobani. It's Chobani.
Mero's like, first of all, you don't want to get the one with fruit in it. Because fruit in the eye of your dick is just the worst thing ever. Shout out to everyone out there that's run out of things to masturbate with, and I was either just doing dry dick or using like the shitty lotion you have in your bathroom that doesn't really work.
You know what's wild? That video of homie that works at the Amazon warehouse being like, yo, dildos are not essential items. There's mad people being like, nah, fam, like they are. Like
they are.
I'm like, yo, damn, okay.
Listen, people need that meat. People need that girth. People need, you know, people need to ride upon that cocky. Like Andrew Cuomo said, he's like, listen, we are in a pandemic. You know, I need you to stay inside, put a scarf over your mouth.
That's right.
And unfortunately, some of you women cannot ride upon the cocky. It's unfortunate. And, you know, you just got to wait. You got to wait.
Yo, you know what else is in short supply? And these two go together.
Nipple rings?
Webcams.
Webcams.
Yo, for real. People are price gouging on webcams. Like the Logitech, the popular one, the C920.
Yeah.
$50, $60 webcam. They're $300 now.
Woo!
And you know people are trying to get that cam soda popping. So you need the dildos, you need the webcam.
It's not only that, like a lot of people who last month were like, yo, how OnlyFans are for like lazy women. They're like, link in my bio. Like, shit don't change. Shit don't change. Okay.
Yo, listen. Week 3, niggas get desperate. Yo, it's like I don't show my vagina. Like, yo, just yo, do your thing.
And shout out to us, you know, we support, we're sex worker friendly. You know but I'm not gonna lie, I got on Twitter and I had a DM and it was Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Yeah,
and she was like, yo, you want to see under my robe? And I was like, yo, relax.
Nah, I'm not. I was like, also,
I'm good. I was like, also send me the link.
I'm not saying, I'm just saying.
It's Ruth Bader Ginsburg and she's on she's just in Supreme lingerie on a bed.
Yeah.
The caption just says Supreme Court. I'm like, with
the knee high trouser pantyhose, nigga. Like, yeah, what up?
Yeah,
rocking flats.
It's just she's walking out the Supreme Court and she just picks up the gown in the back and flashes us. I'm like, wow.
Like, oh shit, is that big?
I'm like, oh shit,
is that biscuit though?
She was like, they thought I was sick. I got a Brazilian butt lift. I was like,
oh shit, shorty got the.
Yo, she was like, yo, RBG, the B stands for bad bitch. I was like, oh
hey.
Oh yeah, go Ruth.
You know the fucking vibes.
Yeah. Every time Ruth Bader Ginsburg walk in the Supreme Court, you just hear.
Yo, she's
Your Honor.
Yo.
You know what? I am being told by the powers to be to hit a problematic light. Also, we completely forgot to mention it. We still have a show on Showtime. You might want to still watch that. You know,
Monday and Thursdays.
Doing it
and
from home.
If you didn't know, you could get a month for free, my G, if you go on the motherfucking website. You know,
to
what
quote
I'm saying?
people
on your computer anyway, so go do it.
To quote people who are listening to brunch in restaurants in Brooklyn, and they're drunk and they're singing along, and if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Okay, we and listen. Shout out to our technical staff. Shout out to Dave. Shout out to Sue. Shout out to Victor. Shout out to everyone on Showtime. DJ Mero. Shout out to Mike Negri. Shout out to Chief dropping off these cameras and these mics and the bars and the lights. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie. Our shit is fire. We've been putting out some fire content, and all I ask for you demand that same level of quality from any other show airing right now. You say to them, make a show as funny as Desus and Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
Somebody suck that baby. Yo, and shouts to you two. You out here saving jobs, bro, for real.
Yo, it's important.
Like 95 people working, and that's not even a joke. So shout to
big
you
up to our staff. Big up to all the people whose job. Think about it. We went from not having jobs to providing jobs for other people.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then Corona's bitch ass want to ruin that shit.
Yeah.
Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? All right. Oh man, Corona. Why? Why are you doing this to us, Corona? Why?
Why?
Why? This is Corona, you big fat white nasty smelling fat bitch. You know what? Let me stop.
Yeah. Nigga said, "Oh, you want to go out this summer?"
Corona, why you took us off our motherfucking book schedule with your trifling dirty white racist ass, you big fat bitch, oompa loompa body ass bitch.
Just get on some Snoop Dogg shit and just completely berate him.
Nah, you guys don't get that reference? Oh my god, no. Do you guys think I'm just being racist for no reason?
This is for Rachel, you big fat white nasty smelling fat bitch. Why you took me off the motherfucking schedule with your trifling dirty
Yo, is this a V Nasty freestyle from prison?
Body ass bitch. I'm coming up there and I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you.
Sometimes you gotta talk to your coworkers, you know what I mean? You gotta let them know.
That's V Nasty, yeah.
Yo, no, that's just a regular girl's voicemail and they threw it over a beat. Cause the girl took off the schedule and she coming up there to beat the girl's ass. Yeah. And that's why I said.
That shit reminded me, speaking of Kobe headphones, this was a little past that. But do you guys remember BayTL with V Nasty and Gucci Mane?
Oh my god.
But I remember BTS, one of the greatest K-pop groups of all time.
All right, yo, listen to me.
Actually, no.
Explain this to me.
Bodega Hive, we're twice. We fuck with twice. So, you know.
Dang. Explain this to me. Why does every fucking viral tweet have K-pop in the shit? Like in the replies. Every single one. Every single one. It's a 10-minute video of them dancing. 10-minute video of them dancing. Every time. We stand whatever the fuck. We stand STF 78. I'm like, nigga, is this a fucking calculator? Or a group?
It's fun to do that. It's fun to drop shit like that in normies' Twitter feeds. So they figure out the greatness that is J-pop. And I'm going to start doing that. Because you know what? You people don't realize the greatness that is J-pop.
But
J-pop, real J-pop.
Yo, if J-pop comes out, that'll be some next year. K-pop is the fucking wave.
To put those tools within reach. Whoa. You give me a slip.
Sorry. Press the wrong thing there, brother.
I was like, damn, this nigga playing Zelda?
I'm playing Zelda. Just playing a little, y'all don't know about this little shit. All right, this is Twice. They bang. Listen, and then this part right here. Shorty got the wild verse right here. A lot of people don't know. Watch. Here you go, right here. Watch. She's rapping.
Oh shit. Oh.
See, tell me that shit don't bang. Now I don't know how you can play it at the barbershop, but you know this is different.
How come no American artist is not just stealing their beats and making fire?
Well, in order to have a J-pop group, you have to have at least 26 members, so that's the main problem for America, and it's very hard. It's very hard to, you can't do that with social distancing. Like how
this is me speaking, doing what I do for a living. Not even just like J-pop, K-pop, but like when I see like Brockhampton, I'm just like, yo, how does that check get split?
Yeah.
It's like 13 ways, and I know what standard rates are.
I think a lot of people think they're going to get a Wu-Tang deal, and those days are way over, dog.
Like, fam, get out of Wu-Tang.
Yo, you guys, you're not getting a good deal. You're just getting like a 360 deal split 19 ways. So, let's have fun making those cameos. Yeah. Hey, my name's Jesus Nice. I'm here with Bagel Boss. We're here to wish you a happy birthday via cameo. Have a good one.
Yeah. You're not my father or my dad or my boss or my boss. But it's your birthday, so happy birthday. Unless you're over 5 feet tall, then fuck you. Have a great day.
Hey, how you doing? My name's Jesus Nice. This is Kid Mero. We're calling from the Board of Health. You recently took a coronavirus test. We're here to tell you you're negative for that, but you got the herp. Have a nice day.
Hey, enjoy your fucking herpes.
Enjoy your fucking herpes? They're watching it at work and they're trying to just turn it down. They just make it mad loud.
Oh shit. Like, yo,
nigga, you got the herp?
It's a cameo. It's a cameo.
That nigga got a herp? Oh, shit, I love these Mero. Oh, shit, turn it up. Turn it up. What they saying? Oh, wait, you muted it, but the closed caption. Oh, you got the. You tested negative for corona. Congrats, you. But you got the herp. Have a nice day.
Shit. Hey, enjoy your fucking herpes. Yo, Hasan, how to delete this shit? Hasan, how to delete this shit?
Oh, shit.
Yo, what the fuck?
This nigga got the herp. Oh, shit.
Shout out to it's wild that I Eurostep the herp. Growing up in the Bronx and raw dogging as a kid, as a teenager. I'm
raw dogging as a teenager.
As a teenager in my 20s and shit. Like, that was wild. I'm surprised that I Eurostep herp.
That sounds like Herp is like a European player or something.
Herp Nowitzki.
Herp Nowitzki. Yeah. I heard he's going into the Hall of Fame this weekend.
Yo. First ballot, bro. Herp Nowitzki. They call him the Lip.
Yeah, no. Anyway,
he's deadly from outside.
You can't stop the herp.
This nigga don't miss.
Wow. Herp Nowitzki steps in with his signature move, the Herper Derp. Wow. You hate to see it. His signature move, like after he dunks on you, he like taps right on top of his lip. Like,
nigga flings a little bit of the fluid at you, like, hold that.
Oh, shit.
Nigga kisses you.
Oh, shit.
Nigga dunks on you and kisses you, like, mwah.
Wow. Oh, your man licks his hand before each free throw. Oh, man. Nasty. These guys are nasty.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
But I'll tell you what doesn't stink. This has been episode 197, aka Shot 97. You know this. Don't catch a hot one.
You know what I'm saying?
This. We got that gun.
You know the
what I'm saying?
vibes.
All right. And as always, it's always a pleasure to talk to y'all and bring you some hip hop, some sushi, but nicey, some levity. You've had a hard week. Yeah. So we just want you to be able to chill, baby. Let's chill. Let's
just relax.
The night.
Give me something to do. You know what I mean? There's a lot of things to do, but this is one of the best things you could do is listen to this.
That's right.
I'll tell you that much.
Because it's your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Fat, say fat like, here we go. Hey. Version for the kids. Sober down, might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. Mikhail Nova going off. Mil Nova said the Veta Quattro. Mikhail going off the Juve Boss. MC Luca Gulpi putting up for 40 with your shorty. Actually, I'm making it for 60 with your shorty because I'm social distancing on that pussy. Yeah. AK don't talk to me in the Uber pool because the Uber pool should not be driving still. Okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to get in the Uber, and the Uber got mad plastic between me and him, and he has on gloves, and I say to him, how business going? And he looks at me in the mirror. He goes, business? Really? I'll tell you about business. It's bad. And he has a sign up that says crack the windows if you're coughing, and you feel really bad, so you have to give him a big tip. So shout out to all the Uber drivers out there. My original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss. And DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Goes of Mufasa, Young Chakuni Rock the Coonery. a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p. Why? Cause like my Pinot blurry. You know what I'm saying? And if I find out the actress died, that makes it even hotter. You know what I mean? Am I a bad person for that? Perhaps. You know perhaps. Am I disgusting for that? Maybe. Am I a sushi boy for that? Definitely.
Absolutely.
Okay?
You know
Respect my sushi-ness. Respect what I bring to the table. I'm just sushi. I'm just sushi. I'm so sushi. I'm so sushi. Woo. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Washed FM.
Yes.
Up next.
Washed
you know what we've been doing a lot of wash rap today. So let's keep it going. You know it. Nothing but Washed FM. A little thing from 1996. A little rapper called A+, the Latchkey Kid.
Oh shit.
Losing my mind. What's your zodiac sign? My perfect match. In fact, I'm compatible to everything.
This shit sound like 1996, right?
We hook like drugs. Was on my way to being a thug. You show me love.
Now, mind you, that song is best enjoyed wearing East Lake boots. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
If you don't know what those are, get your
those.
eBay character, get your eBay catalog out. Because you were like, yo, I'm a kill niggas at the winter dance with this shit, dog. I'm wearing these shits to Big Plaza.
Niggas ain't ready.
I'm gonna wear these when I ask Shorty to be wifey. Wow.
Niggas don't know about these. These shit's got leather laces.
Y'all wasn't there. The Curry Gold, these are Spicer, Jamal Hashburn. The Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't potato, the Human Berry, where the Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Harold Budcross, Nelson Bankdella, Sergio can't see me, Vladimir Bufin, the human word that's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki, Squabby, Greg Popovich, more says for Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Mega B, but I got the cucumber. Well, actually, the cucumber is going to come on April 26th because Amazon Prime deliveries are being delayed. So please work with us. You know, we're just trying to get packages out during the thing. Please, thanks for being understanding. Yo, the Juice of the Press, what your boy never is. Yo, big salute and big congratulations to Juice Press. And I'm only saying that because your drinks are $10 and I need a discount when I order them. So hook a boy up.
Hook your man up. You stop fucking playing.
Also, Juice Press only delivers to the Bronx on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys want to tweet at them, yeah, I thought that was DTs. Tweet at them and be like, yo, give Desus a special care package. I'll set up the drone for it. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, the No More Cups and Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fast Nova Cast, no William H. Chef, 5, 10 cent, $10. Forget the small change, give me.
God damn. What do you need?
Actually, just give me a stimulus check. Here you go. Do that.
Okay.
Give me a stimulus check so I can spend it on a big body girl. Watch out.
God damn.
The only after my salute is Dipset, Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one, top left, Matthews Marv. Churros of the holy cow, Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's who? It's me, Sunny D.
California style.
Hey, you know, it's kind of fucked up that, you know, I saw you throwing out other expired foods and I've been here since January, but I'm Sunny D. I don't go bad, so don't throw me out.
That's a nuclear fucking disaster.
You're going to want me in like 3 weeks. David Yerman, Jesus Spencer, Jesus Red Bottles, Jesus Bloody Shoes, Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cool Nanny, AK Junior, and you got Junior, come sit down upon me.
Yo, sit buddy.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze and I'm doing pickups only. The topic of gossip and Syosset. Shout out to the 11791. You shouldn't even be on the LIRR if you're not an essential passenger or worker, bro. Yeah, I am essential. I got to go to the garden because if I don't go to the garden, the Ranger's going to lose. So what do you want? Suck my dick.
Hey.
AK Grandpa Joke, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket or you get cratched. Meow. I gotta get a little cat mask so Charlie doesn't get corona. Damn. Shit getting real out here.
Cats can get corona? Damn.
Cats can get corona. That's also kind of wavy. Your cat in a little surgical mask?
Yo.
Woo. I would just put him in a wild ski mask so that in case we could do some jokes. Your man Dead-Eye Desus morning, Sheriff. Be a shame if I broke the capacity count at Home Depot and was number 25 and you say only number 24 is supposed to be in here. Be a real shame if I came in there breathing heavy. Be Be a real shame if I breathe all over this spray paint. That Mero might boost in a couple minutes. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. Shout out to everyone shopping for real estate right now. The market is super low, but if you buy real estate right now, you are out of your fucking mind. All right, the Black Asiatic Addict will crack your back like a automatic craft medic. Mr. Lama in the Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor. The Sheep Mask Killer, no one will be love. The Black Zach Moore, support Morse, Young KPI. Some personal Jesus pray to me. AKA Problematic Bay is not a secret family. You know, if you avoid them because you're quarantining and use that as an excuse.
That's true.
Also, I said that about real estate because there's no one in the deeds office, so you can't get your deed like mailed to you. It's ridiculous.
Yep.
So
there's a lot of
next
paperwork being held up.
We got Papa Shampoo. We got Fairlawn Finest. We got the Dad of the Year.
That's right, it's your boy, Kid Mero. I'm talking to y'all. Hope you have a good time. Bodega Boys 197. That's not like a newscast, but it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag 5, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb. You know what I'm saying? Hit your motherfucking dog, keep moving, ask me if I give a fuck. I'm not even supposed to be in this car, dog. I'm out of here. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list because I'm not even in the club. This is like a virtual club. So, like, why would you even, like, what, like, are you going to kick me out? Like, what is this?
We're going to block you.
Oh my God! You really? You're gonna block me?
We're gonna block you.
Wow! That's terrible. I'm going on Twitter. I'm talking about this. AK CC Dad Bathia, AK Tiger Bats was smoking $3 blunt. Then hit you with this 9-hour. You know what I'm saying? Get into the shmoney and the smoking. It's your boy Gilman Schmack. You know what I'm saying?
Smacks.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen. I bought my neighbor's house and then I raised it. You know what I'm saying? And I just made it into like a big dirt jump. And let my kids ride their bikes on it. Because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Ben Smack Beyond Boy. A.K.A. Diego Maradona. A.K.A. Dick in your baby tumble. You know, coming to put some more pussy belong to me. Exactly. But you know what? I changed my mind. The pussy belongs to you. The agency is yours. If you wish, I will enter. If not, I appreciate, you know, your time. I appreciate you. Thank you. My queen. A.K.A. Bartlo's antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car and jump the fuck out because it's a Prius. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Listen to me, motherfucking new egg. I'm going to type my card again. There's definitely money out there.
Again.
You know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? When I write an email and they come up in here and the email's like, oh my God, is this who I think it is? And I'm like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You see the email, nigga. You know what I'm saying? And they're like, how are the kids? And I'm like, yeah, they're good. Ha ha ha. Emoji. You know what I'm saying? And then I end up getting you fired and getting man free shit. So stop fucking playing with me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Put the shit in the cart and let me check out. Fucking wild out in here, bro. Stop playing.
Wow.
I don't even got underwear on, B. Stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. So zany. Let me black out. Wow, what happened yesterday? Oh my God. We can't leave the crib still? Wow, I'm bugging. A.K.A. Lighten up, touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eye. That you broke and say got five, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? Because I just cop like wait, because I'm doing the whole social distancing, self quarantining thing. So like I'm not even trying to cipher for nobody. Like I'm over here with personals all day, like so it's cool. Keep your 5, you know what I'm saying? Like nigga, just like order Uber Eats or some shit, but don't come around here. A.K.A. Tom Bracey, you know what I'm saying? Your girl got my balls deflated more than Bobby Kraft because we the table shower boys, you heard? A.K.A. Field to Ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos mind with your consent, of course. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Snoozy Vert, you know what I'm saying? First nigga to tap out on live. I've been social distancing before this whole shit happened. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Frino, Missy MVP of Gelato, A.K.A. Zano Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. Yo, sorry, yo. They're only doing takeout. You know what I'm saying? We'll be back, though. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life avoided being collateral damage in a completely insane administration? I have. Your fave could never. Candy, get the strap. I'm about to air out the Oval Office. Fuck it. A.K.A. open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's a Zen
man. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso, A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5. Niggas got garbage down the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown should have caught it down. A.K.A. live from the corner of East Tremont and Southern Boulevard, ignoring all suggested curfews. It's the East Tremont's own Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT's fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean in this quarantine. I need a neutral man so I can get right. A.K.A.
Mate, I tell you every week, no matter where we are, Milk Studios, Red Bull Studios, fucking motherfucking D&D, doesn't matter. The basement, sneaker closet, it's only two rock stars left in this world, mate. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantains tipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a can of Lysol that I had boofed.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know how you boof a can of Lysol, but yo, shout out to you. A.K.A. I'm like Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. A.K.A. playing NBA 2K and in fucking Portland smoking on that legal ganja. It's Marmelo's Anthony. Bang! If you see me a target higher than a baby giraffe, nigga, learning to walk, then climbing a ladder and standing on another baby giraffe, approach me like a motherfucking Ursa mammal, dog. Because I'm on Target.com. And how the fuck did you just get in my house, dog? You know what I'm saying? I should fucking put a hole in you, nigga, make you look like a bagel. What the fuck are you doing? Who are you? A.K.A. hey, kids. Whoa, it's Benzo the Clown. Had for me kid's birthday party. I'll do social distancing. We can do the party from 6 feet away. That's actually perfect for me because I don't got to leave my car. Hey, Mr. Funfun, you want to do a little balloon show for the kids? I'll be in the car.
Hey, kids. I got the vaccine inside of me. Who wants me to put it in your mouth?
Whoa! That's wrong thing.
Hey, listen.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Come on, CDC.
Come on, get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
You kids want to see the G?
Fun. In the car. A.K.A. I'm so fake to his favorite SoundCloud rapper. That nigga's high on fucking zinc and vitamin C because he's a bozo. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. You know, hey, papi, espérate. Oh, whoa. Vamos a darle, vamos a darle reverse un poco. If you have SAP, please turn it on right now. You know what I'm saying, papi? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué es lo que va? Llegó el hijo de Tififa, coño. Bajé Chucky con la tabla sofá y la pámpara prendida. Dime a ver qué es lo que tú dices, mamá huevo. Deja que me den banda de la casa. Ahí es que van a ver, coño. Voy a salir con el maquinón con la puerta que abren para arriba. Que lo que, guau. A.K.A. You know what I'm saying? El que baja con la pinta distinta. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Showtime. Shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan es el que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Desus suena la nota jamaiquina. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la Lady 24 quilates de magia en esa melena. Shout out la nena de la bodega, Dai la más dura, la planta eléctrica y Vicky la más loca toda. A.K.A. Besitos de miel. A.K.A. shout out mi secretaria Pío. Mi presidente Pío, excúsame. Secretario de Defensa, activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto. Pronto de libertad, mi mano friki, que descanse para mi hermano sexo. Quédate en la casa y lávate las manos, fucking mano queroso. You know what I'm saying? Y practica distancia social. Dale, fuáquete. 1 de 9 de 7. That's what's popping right now in the street, papi. I got that raw.
Yo, you know the vibes has been episode Shot 97. Another one in the books. Shout out to the tech team making this happen. Shout out to Hasan the God. Shout out to Victor. Shout out to Dot. Shout out to Victoria. Shout out to me and Mero being the best Teamster union members ever.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? Taking them union breaks. I took 50 union breaks today. I've been outside just smoking Marlboros and talking about that time I saw Billy Joel at Madison Square Garden, bro.
Hey, bro.
Remember that, bro?
Yeah, we're due for a 15. Let's go outside and smoke a fucking stove.
Bro, let's talk about how fucking good Henrik Lundqvist is. Come on, bro.
Man, he's fucking amazing, bro. You can't get nothing past that guy.
Bro, he's no Mark Messier, but he's damn near close. You know?
I mean, talk about it. I mean, the guy. I mean, after Mike Richter retired, I said, how could you feel those shoes? And then Lundqvist comes along, and I'm like, whoa, holy shit, this guy's incredible. You know?
Bro, we've been working on this Desus and Mero show. I can't tell which one is which, but I love the checks. So,
it's fucking great.
Bro, we out of there by like 2 o'clock. It's fucking awesome.
They make a lot of jokes about blue lives matter, but you know what? They do matter. So you know, whatever. As long as the check's clear. Anyway. Yo, as always, shout out to Cash App. Shout out to make sure to watch out our #1 show on late night. Desus and Mero special quarantine edition. You know the vibes. Shout out to Julia narrating the shit. Shout out to everyone that made that happen. Please stay inside. It's very important you guys stay inside. Like Dr. Fauci said, we need you to flatten the curve. I know it's about to get warm. You're going to see some of your dickhead friends outside, and they're going to be on IG Live, and they're going to be like, yo, fuck quarantine. I'm out here turning up. What I tell you to do,
dickhead.
when you see someone outside, write their name down, and you come back to their Instagram or your Twitter page in 3 to 4 weeks. I bet you their tune will have changed, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right?
It's going to be worse than the Trump ad.
Is that a dark Jesus moment? It is. But is it also an honest Jesus moment? It is. So I need y'all to all take care of yourselves. And don't worry about coronavirus, because we did an interview earlier today to find out if our fans need to worry about coronavirus, and this is what we found out.
Driving out of this Ohio parking lot is a woman who just attended a church service with dozens of other people, including children.
Yep.
Can I ask you about your decision to go to church to be inside that building?
I wouldn't be anywhere else.
That's right.
Aren't you concerned you could infect other people if you get sick inside?
No.
People who don't go to this church.
No. I'm covered in Jesus' blood.
That's right. You all are covered in Jesus' blood.
That's right.
Now send y'all out. Boom shakalaka now. Boom shakalaka. The blessings come in. The blessings come in.
Be a funnel. Be a funnel.
Be a funnel. Be a funnel. Be a safe. Let the blessings come in.
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
And remember, the blessings can only come in if you're inside, so stay inside. Ball bags, we out.
That's right.
Holla.